Made it when it's all said. Scars and tears. Know I had a hard hit. Couldn't tell you when it started yet. Start kid. You know you was so far ahead. You know you was so far ahead. I'm glad I make my own noise. Putting in that work, I done became a rich man. I was a poor boy. Super lit with rich friends, that Cooper Chrome toy. Go and get it if you want it, boy. Did it with the boys. No remorse, glad I made a choice. Now we whipping Rolls Royce. They can't find another source. No endorse. I think it's best they join force. It's funny, ain't that something that they said I wouldn't be nothing? Thought you reap the benefits instead it's repercussions. You ain't care or try to hear me speak, instead you judging. I cried myself to sleep one night just thinking about my cousin. They gave him like they lost a life and both the family suffering. He's down but he ain't take a life, it's always a discussion. This money ain't gon' interfere the way I show my loving. This money disappear, I got real friends that still gon' love me. Made it when it's all said. Scars and tears. Know I had a hard hit.
Yo.
Can't tell you when it started yet. Start
Yo,
kid.
yo.
You know you was so far ahead.
Hold on.
Know you was so far ahead. Know you was so far ahead. Money in the bank, we been getting plenty. Let me pop my shit, I can pop a Willie. SVJ, bent the door, top off on a guinea. Pretty face on the beach, a topless bikini. We both like to get high, and if I'm by Richie, my Whitney. That G5 in the sky, and I can land in any city. They told me don't let up, and now I'm up, but you don't hit me. The world depend on us, you got my trust into infinity. So secured, I keep my F in tuck, cause I got enemies. I'm just tryna remain rich as fuck, and you know how that be. Get it in, bet like when they used to get a 10 a key. Businessman, got my business plan inside a Louis brief. Made it when it's all said. Scars and tears. Know I had a hard hit. Couldn't tell you when it started yet. Start kid. You know you was so far ahead. You know you was so far ahead. You know you was so far ahead. They ain't think we get it cream. Now we living out our dreams. And the whole world ours. How the bosses in the team. We bust it down, don't need a greed. Tryna build an empire. I separate my wants and needs. I'm put that way in Germany. And the price is getting higher. I'm peeping on my frenemies. That little whole shit, it don't mean nothing to me. All that hate while you ain't tired. Young Gunna got a preference, she eat that dick for breakfast. You see I'm interested, I wanna fuck your best friend. I'm killing them with perfection and got good sense of direction. Put my niggas on the kiosk. Can't spot why they put that Bentley B out. Windows fish, both CN and CI. GT not a Fiat, I'm still just like T.I. Rose gold stone and in the night look like a neon. Players talking hoes, you know I'm catching shit like Dion. And I was broke, but I ain't going back. I think that G.O.D. got all these racks. You call my phone too much at once, ain't gon' never hit back. Hopefully you get that business done, I won't go lay on your back. I was born to win. Lord forgive me, might have to sin again. It's crazy, but you said the trend. A lot of niggas need a land. It's crazy, but you said the trend. I'm knocking, baby, let me in. I need an angel, not a friend.
Man, I need a coffee, yo. Need a coffee ASAP.
Run that back, turbo.
How the hell you love that bitch, you don't know that bitch? It's like having set prices on a diamond brick. You get good pussy once and then start cuffing it. I still been in my bag, I'm just on other shit. You go BBS, look like Money Mitch. My stands for really rich, I'm in that color name. She told me she taking a risk, I had to cut her in.
What up, man? What up? What up? What up? What up, chat? What up, Toby? What up, Green? What up, Circle? What's going on? When is the new intro going live? What new intro? When we get a new intro? I don't know. I ain't want no intros no more. I just wanna. A lot of streamers don't have intros. They just have like a. They don't have an intro screen. They just set the stream up and then they play music on their face cam. One of the second control effects. Oh, I don't know. I haven't changed this in years. Like I haven't changed my intro in like 2 years now, I think. What up, Verb? Invincible, what up? Oh man, just I was looking clean. All right, chat. What's going on? What's going on? Today is I guess you can say it's an interesting day. Today you have core PCE price index. So pretty important folder, pretty big folder to be honest. 8:30 is your news folder. So in about an hour and 58 minutes exact, or 57 minutes now exact, we'll have that folder. But yeah, that's all you have for today. I believe you have that red folder, and I think that's about it. Today's a Canadian holiday. What day is it today? National Day for Truth and Reconciliation. It's a Canadian holiday, or just a bank holiday, right? Because I don't think it's a stay-at-home holiday. Yeah, and then I think that's about it. You have maybe some minor folders at 10 a.m., 9. But this is your most important folder today. Core PC price index, right? So that's coming at 8:30. In about 2 hours almost. So I think that's all you gotta worry about for today, really. Off the rip though, let's do the analysis. Let me just send my Zoom link, and I'll do this analysis real quick, and then we'll just get to the waiting part. And it should be a decent day today, maybe. Hopefully we won't get stuck in the range. I'm afraid that we may be stuck in the range today. And what I mean by that is the range from like 1673 here to like this area right here, basically this area. Like I want us to really break out of this area today. But if you don't break out, then you don't break out, right? Can't really do anything about that. But let's see. Price action today isn't as clean as it was yesterday, right? It's not as in terms of traffic, it's not as clean. You got the buys already that came up last night in London. That was about it. Oh. All right. All right. Zoom link's been sent. This right here is gonna be over here. All right, over here. All right, so let's take a look at the charts real quick. So starting off with gold here, as you can see, gold for the weekly is it's you have 10 hours left in this weekly candle. If you close bullish the way we are, preferably above here, then next week's candle should be pretty interesting. Looks like you are going to continue up next week. If you do close bullish above these zones to the left hand side. However, if you close just right at this resistance, the next couple of days could be pretty interesting, because what's going to happen here is price is closing bullish at indecision level, right? It's closing bullish right at resistance. Like it's not closing above, it's not closing bearish rejecting, it's just closing right at it. Therefore it's in this range here, and until you get some more information, which won't come until the week after next week, right? Because the week after next week you have a complete candle closure. Because it comes, if you close bullish this week, right? Next week's candle can either do two things. It can either close bearish, rejecting resistance if that's all it wants to do, or two, it can close above the range. Next week's gonna be very like, I don't want to say dead in terms of ranges, but there isn't gonna be a lot that's gonna happen next week off the way price action looks, right? Because next week's candle will decide where we're gonna go for the rest of October, or not the rest of October, but for the second week of October and so on, right? But next week's, I'm not really looking forward to it. It's just an indecision level. It's gonna find out resistance, or it's gonna break through this resistance. We don't know yet, right? What I do know is that the monthly candle is gonna finish off as well in about 10 hours. And it looks like the monthly candle is going to close off bearish unless you do flip today, which I doubt. 1705 is quite far away. But if you do close bearish today, then next month's candle has all this clean traffic to the left hand side, driving all the way down here towards this next support to the left, tapping into these levels here. Because look, you're closing below these ranges, and what's in between is all clean traffic until like 1575. So that's my next month's target, 1575. If you close below here, next month should tap 1575. I'm talking about before November. All right. So before November, those levels should get tapped if you do close the way we are today. And if the monthly is gonna close bearish for next month to continue down next week, right? Could be interesting, because if you do close bearish, then week 2 of October could continue down, but next week October could be rangy. It won't be as easy to trade as it was the past couple of weeks. But yeah, that's a weekly for gold. The daily today is pretty, I guess you can see the daily candle just closed, it's bullish, but it closed right at resistance, right? If you look at the candles to the left here, this candle here failed to break above. This candle here failed to break above. This candle here looks good right now. Looks like it's breaking above, but you have 10 hours left. I wouldn't be surprised if in 10 hours you close bearish, rejecting resistance. Would not be surprised a lot. Or even like doji respecting this area, because you're still respecting. Don't get me wrong, it definitely close above, and if it does close above, then perfect, great. But like, even for today's candle, even if you drive up, where are you gonna drive towards? You're already tapping this resistance here to the left. Like, you came up, tap target, done. So that's what I was saying earlier about the buys. Like, they already kind of happened last night, right? The buys kind of formed last night, so it's like, okay, well, what else is there for today, right? Like, what else is there in terms of clean traffic? So the buys are kind of like, I don't want to say out the window, but you can't tap target already. Can't tap into those ranges. And who knows? Might even close doji today, might close bearish today. But what I do know is that technically we are bullish. So if I'm looking for more buys today, I would preferably take buys. Let's see. So let's go mark these charts up. This is when things get important. So you have a resistance on gold. I'm gonna say right here at 116.74.322 because of this level to the left. Right, there is a resistance on the most recent down here at the most recent level. However, looking left, I would preferably move it up to the most average line, above the most, like the most rejected area in terms of we never closed above before, right? Looking left, we never closed above his levels to the left. Price came up, rejected. So what line would you rather have? A line at the most logical resistance, or like just the most recent? Because it can break above here, don't get me wrong, but where is it gonna go after? 7.4. Okay, how far is that range? 10 pips, right? So there's no buys above there. If I'm looking for buys, I'll look for a closure above 6.74, right? For buys above there. And then above there, you have clean traffic going up towards like the 16.78. However, right, with the fact that we're at the daily resistance, I'm pretty open to sells today as well. And I wouldn't mind taking sells, but for sells, you need a range 2 breakout. I'm pretty sure you have that by now. I believe if this is your considered so-called range 1 from here to here, this is your range 2, and then below here would be sells, I guess. So anything below 16.66 would be sells. I'll look for maybe sells below these levels to the left hand side. Below here should take you down to the next support, which is going to be, I guess I'm gonna say right around here. Maybe it's minor levels here. Yeah, 661 probably. Looking at it's a 25 30 pip range going down below 64. So that's where my sells would be for range 2 breakouts. Right, so buys above there, and then range 2 breakouts would be below here for sells, and then this is in between is just going to be your range that marks up that range 2 split basically. I'll put it around here. Yeah, it's a minor level. But yeah, this is what I have going on right now. It's a lot of lines on my screen, but what you gotta pay attention to is really just these ranges here today. This range, and then this range, and then this range. Whatever happens in this range right now is irrelevant at price. I don't care what happens in this range. It's a 60 pip range. However, there's nothing I can do in that range. There's no buys in that range for me. There's no sells in that range for me, right? It's just like that's where we're gonna be. That's the range we're gonna be in until we break out this entire session. Maybe if you get a range 2, you might get some more sells. But until then, this is what I got going on right now. All right. As for GJ, GJ looks pretty clean right now as we're speaking here, but I'm probably gonna wait for the 1 hour count close in 17 minutes here. But the monthly count here is interesting because at one point we did mention GJ for the monthly candle. If you guys go back to like September 1st stream, we mentioned a fake out going up, which it did go up. It did break the highs for the monthly, but it failed to stay bullish. So you have 10 hours left in the day, and it looks like we may close bearish back into this range here, which isn't bad. It's not bad at all because at least you have a direction and price, right? The direction and price here shows that you're breaking below the range. If this is where you close this month, next month's candle likely could potentially drop down towards 156,113. So that's my like next month's target if we do close where we do this month. Today's obviously the last day. That's the title of the stream, right? But yeah, the weekly is you can say pretty bullish. The weekly last week closed bearish, and it closed bearish with no bottom wick, right? So no bottom wick means no range to drop down. That's why you see price pushing up this week, right? And that's why we may even close bullish. And if we close bullish the way we are, then next week's candle would be pretty interesting. This push going up for next week's candle, if we do close the way we are, could be the top wick for the monthly, right? Because it's a new month next month and it's a new week next week as well. So the weekly is bullish, it can drive up for the monthly candle top wick to drive back down the rest of the months, or the rest of the next month, the last 3 weeks, right? But yeah, that's the weekly. The daily today, here's where things get confusing. Obviously the monthly is bearish done, but the weekly is bullish done. But how is the daily bullish or bearish as well? Like, you know, so things get confusing here. But all you gotta do really is predict the next candle. That's why I'm constantly thinking, right? I'm just trying to predict the next candle. And I'm trying to create a story with what I have right now on these time frames. So the daily here today is bullish, technically bullish. However, it has no top wick, and you guys know what happened last time we had no top wick off of a bullish candle, right? So go back to this month, this weekly. The weekly, same shit happened here. This was once a bullish candle. What happened on the daily? Came up, but it failed to stay up because it had no top wick, so it came all the way back down. So same thing happening here on the daily time frame. Go back on the daily. The day looks the exact same way. It's a bullish candle, no top wick. So it did come up, yeah, but can it stay up? If we have no top wick, there's a high chance it can drop down, right? So if I'm looking for sells today, I would probably need a range 2 breakout for sure. So as for range 2 breakouts, I guess you can say this is your range 2 breakout over here. This is a level I was looking at earlier off a 30-minute candle. I really want to sell here, but with the stops on the previous candle being a little wide, I want a steeper top wick. Now that you're breaking the lows, it's the last 15 of the hour candle, and the last 15 of the hour candle has no bottom wick as well. So I'm definitely gonna stay out until the 1 hour candle closes in about 14 minutes here. But if you do close below these ranges there, sells on GJ wouldn't be too bad coming down towards the 159,667 mark. That range going down is around it is, my friend, around 50 pip range going down. So it's not bad at all, right? Not bad at all. And then this is your resistance here. This is what made the range 2 for you. So this is your range 1, resistance, support, range 1. This is your range 2. Anything below here is clean traffic going down towards 159,667. Ain't bad at all. All right, pretty straightforward day, chat. Pretty straightforward day. And you get more sells below here, obviously. This 30-minute count wasn't too bad. I mean, breakout lows, current stops at 37. But it kind of activated a little too late. I was looking at it maybe at 6:30. I was looking at it, but it's like 6:45 here. You might as well wait for a 1 hour candle, right? I literally just explained why I wasn't gonna take any sales here into the 1 hour candle. I just explained it, brother. Deontay. Last 15 of the hour candle. If I wanted to get in, I would have gone on the 630 candle using current. Because look, I couldn't use the previous candle stops, so there's no top wick at 630. So I needed a top wick. You finally got a top wick. However, the moment you flip bearish, what time did it flip? 6:45, right? And I never get in at 6:45. Or the last 15 of the 1 hour candle, because that's usually when they'll pull back for the next 1 hour candle. And this is a new 1 hour candle that's opening up in about 12 minutes, right? So we need a bottom wick. Where's that gonna come? Probably the last 15. What's this candle doing? Pulling back, right? So I want to wait for this candle to close first, and then see if the 1 hour can close below. On top of that, the 1 hour closure would be more more crucial close than a 15 or 30 closure, right? I'll take a 1 hour over a 15 and 30 any other day, because it's a higher time frame. Yo, Heartful Pain. Yo, $10 donation again. Thank you, brother. Are you the new Paul? Paul used to donate every day like you. Okay, you're straight. Yo, Matt Allison, what's going on? Still not drinking coffee, bro. I haven't drank coffee since like whenever I told you guys, but I need a coffee today. I feel like kind of sluggish, or I don't need one. My mental thinks I need one. Do I need one? Text to speech for donations. Yo, Broly, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know how to do that stuff though. I'm not gonna lie. I haven't searched like how to add text to speech. I'd be mad funny though. Hold on, maybe I could enable it. Yo, you guys want text to speech? How to turn on text.
Click the create account button, and then you
if it's your first again, ABC.
Set ABC.
And as you can see, it
Yo, text to speech. No, like donations and stuff would be text to speech. Like, you know how like they have like text to speech for these other streamers, like actual speed and shit. Sit down is way more chill than usual. Chill. Chill. It's Gunna and Young Weezy. And this shit too easy. Yeah. Where you gonna? Good morning from Paris. Damn, that's a good morning for sure. Good morning from Paris, man. Can you stop by a shop for me in Paris and send me a bag? Go to the Go Yard store. Please explain today's set points of XAUUSD. Well, brother, if you came at 6:30 today, you would have got the analysis. If you missed the analysis, you can pull it back a little bit, watch the beginning of the stream, and you will see the set points of XAUUSD today. Because whatever I have drawn up on my screen is I did it live already this morning. So you just go back, see what I did, and I kind of told you guys what I was looking for. All right. Let's see if I can actually get what I'm looking for in this case. Where did I have this level marked up? Most recent, right? Makes sense. Yeah, every time it goes below, it should be drive through. Pretty straightforward. Oof. Could be interesting. What are set points? I don't know. I guess they mean like the main points today for gold, you know? Like, what are the main points today? Because they're like too lazy to kind of go back. Which makes sense, but I guess that's what they mean. Like, what are you looking for today? Where are you buying? Where are you selling, basically? You know? Seven minutes here. The more we pull back, the better it would be for GJ here. How big was that push? 30, 40? Not bad. What up, RF Kennedy? Going on? Could you please re-explain when you mean price could drive down with no wick, doesn't no top wick bullish from can represent strong buyers? Not quite. From what we experienced over the years to months in the streams, no top wick would mean no range to drive up. Because if you look at it, right, it's just let's say you have a bullish candle like this. This is a 4-hour candle. Or if, for instance, let me actually read that. This is a 4-hour candle, right? So this is a 4-hour candle. This is like the 1-hour candle. If you were to break the 4-hour candle down to the 1 hour, it looks something like this. And then it's a bearish candle at the end. Right? Because look, you have a high. That's the high. You have a low. That's the low. You have a closure. That's the closure. Right? It's at the same price points basically. So what that means on a small on a 1 hour is this is just a range we're in. So basically a range from like here to like here. This is a range we're in, and as we're creating that range, that wick represents a range, right? Wicks are just ranges on a small time frame. So if you were to look at it from the 1 hour time frame, what's happening when price fills the wick is it would push up and do something like this, right? This is the wick fill, right? So as that's happening on a higher time frame, on a smaller time frame, it's just a support form. That support basically the onion play to retest the highs. That's all that is. So this wick fill is just us creating support to retest the highs to drive back up, right? And then to continue up as well with the trend. So that's what happens when you have a wick. You have range to continue to drive up. When you don't have a wick, you have no range. Therefore, this right here is irrelevant. It's just, we're basically just at resistance. This is what's happening basically. It's just this, right? This is what happens when you have no wick. It's just right at resistance. You're basically buying at resistance. So that's why in that case, it doesn't always mean like 100% like we'll reject, we won't drive down. It comes down to the shit ton of nuances, right? Different time frames, but majority of times you'll see when you have no top wick, price would usually struggle to drive through. The probability becomes a lot lower than it would be if you were to get a bottom wick. KSC Friday. You gotta start mumbling and speak slower. I've been speaking the same way for the last 2 years. I think however I speak is fine. You just gotta catch up. The odds are the same at first too in 2020. I've been streaming since 2020. The odds are the same then. Yeah, speak slower. Stop mumbling. No one's understand you. Maybe you gotta listen faster. Nah, but you're getting used to it. I can't change the way I speak, man. This is how I speak. This is how my brain thinks. My brain, you know, moves faster than my mouth. Just like the way I look at the markets. My speaking did improve though. Yeah, Ryman, for sure. It's a little slower. Maybe it's the microphone. It could be the microphone as well, but yeah, people get used to it though. Eventually you get the hang of it. At first, like you hear, you know, celery as like starter play, but over time you hear celery as celery. Eventually. Yo, on your sample size spreadsheet, how do you change the drop down suggestion type things? Which one? Suggestion type things. Where? How you change the drop down suggestions? This one, right? Oh, it changed this. Over here, go on to setup and then take out whatever. Take out, like, let's say you want I want to analyze the I don't know, toggle open, right? Go on like current, go on the session. I'll show toggle open after. On the setup page, the setup page lets you change everything. You can change the entry types, the style types, the pairs, the session traded, all that. All right, you have about 2 minutes here, guys, for this GJ closure and this gold closure. Looks like gold may not close below where I want it to close. I want closures below 6.4 here for more sells. And it won't be buys until 6 and 7.4, so this 30-minute account might be chopped, but GJ has potential. Obviously, I want this kind of pull back for the wick fill, for more range to drop down, smaller stops. But if this is where we close, then it might be out of luck. Might be below chopped. Let's see if we can pull back to like 160, that'd be great. But I highly doubt it. Looks like we're just gonna hover here until the last second. What key do you press to cipher through the different time frames super fast? Just top left there. I just click on this. You can go type stuff up. Like you can go how you do it? How you change intervals again? Just got it. There's this right here. This is, I don't know. Hold on. That's not how I do it. Oh yeah, you put like a change interval. You just put like 4 hour, boom, 4 each. You want 30-minute time frame? Okay, 30. Right? So it's kind of cool. But I just use this top. How big is this range going down? It's definitely doable. Look left. I'm looking to mirror this range to the left. Obviously I want to sell from here, but the 1 hour closed way below. But it has more range going down until the support kind of stops. Same thing happened here. Close below, top wick, boom, boom, flip, to drop down very nicely. Now how big is the current candle high though? Yeah, 16 pips. That's a 16 pip top wick already. Wow, that's that's incredible. That's incredible. Let's see, breakout lows. It's gonna be 23. How big is this wick? 6 pips. That's a lot. Let's see. If you get a steeper top wick, I'll wait for the flip. But if this is the wick, then I'll wait for the breakout lows come down. 22 pip stops with like a 27 pip target. Not too bad. That ain't too bad. $60.06. Not bad. Let's see. On Blueberry, where's that price going to be? $160, $790. Breakout lows. Or 159.790, sorry. 165.90. Yeah, the breakout lows. Nice. So I got sell stops here. 159.790 on Blueberry. Alrighty. Nice, nice, nice. Didn't break the lows yet on that push. It's a breakout low of 790, right, on Blueberry. And then stop loss is just going to be the current kind of highs, which is going to be around like a 23 pip stop. And then TP was where again? I think it's around like a 27 pip target, right? Yeah, like a 27, 28. Let me just put the stops in. 160s or 16. TP is 159, 519. Perfect. If so the target here is only 28 pips, chat, right? So if stops exceed 28 pip mark, we just delete because it won't be a 1-to-1 for us, right? The whole idea here is this thing flips bearish, or breaks lows. It should be good to draw through towards TV. So this is the idea. This is the idea. Actually, I don't need this line here. It's alright in train view. Yes, see the chart noise on train view. Yeah, it's fine. Point 7. I covered spreads, didn't I? It should be the break of highs. No, okay, we'll leave it here for spreads. It's fine. 24. Can we get activated here? And almost activated. Almost. Not yet. Almost. Very small spreads, right? Very close. It showed green for a second. The whole idea here is, chat, again, just the breakout lows after you broke back into the range, putting our trust to the current kind of high. I think I'm activated, right? Yeah, I'm activated here. So sells have been activated here, chat. Off of GJ here. We're in some sells there. Stop loss is the current kind of high for 23 pips. TP is down here for 27 pips. This is a trade that we are in at the moment. I got into. There is a minus support to the left here at the 159.683 mark, so that's going to be the BE point for me. At that point, I'll go risk free. I think in that area, that'll be like 10% profit. So that's what I'm going to do in terms of managing risk, because this is next to minus support, right? So you can't ignore that. I think the 1 hour support is a little different. Actually, no, 1 hour support is the same thing, same level. Yeah, same level. So you have all that clean traffic going through. You're anticipating that range to get filled minimum, and then the rest of the range to get filled as well. But that range is there's a support there, so you have to take advantage of that at that level, right? You don't want to be risking anymore at that level. Or you don't want to have risk on the line at that level. No slippage, right? I don't think no one got slipped. Let's see. This trader chat is gonna be I can pull this up real quick. $707. Not last day of the month. There was no trades yesterday on stream chat. This is the first trade we had on stream since like I think that win we had on Tuesday. No, on Wednesday. It was based off of the breakout, current higher low, right? Breakout. No, it was the breakout of previous higher low, not current higher low. Previous higher low. It was off of the 1 hour /30. It was full risk, also really tight. And then yeah, so breakout, previous higher low for GJ here. That was a trade. So just where is it? Oh, wrong spreadsheet. Breakout 76, first higher low 57, and then 1H, which is the 79. So this exact trade here is 1 hour breakout, first high low, 71.43% win trade. What did we get here? 8 pips, not bad. Yeah, I don't think I even saw 8 pips. I think I saw like maybe like 6, not even. I think I saw like 5 on a broker. Yeah, so in terms of managing risk in the losing situation, it comes down to how we close off of this 30 candle, right, to the left. So if you close bullish above his levels to the left, you can say that okay, we're rejecting the support and price likely could pop up. However, as long as you close below this level, even if it's a bullish closure, it should be good for this next 15 and 30. I think this 15 closes up in about 6 minutes here, so that's the next step to managing risk. But I'll preferably wait for the 30 to close to manage risk. Preferably, because it's a 1 hour trade, yeah, but 30-minute time frame is the closest thing you have to the 1 hour time frame, right? The 15 is a little too far off. So I can slide into 5 on PC. Your broker website should have that stuff. I think your broker should have that stuff, all that. What was the risk again? I didn't even check my risk. 20, okay, yeah, 3,400, and TP was around what was this? 3,400 and then 37. Okay, so let's go. It's basically a little higher than 1-to-1. Look how laggy this price is. You see how it glitches like that? When it glitches like that on TradingView, like when it pops up and down like that, it's just delayed from MT5. That's all that is. Yeah, I only saw like maybe I guess we did see 8. I didn't see 8 though. Am I late? Not really. They just getting started. It's only 7:10. If we can re-break the lows here, we'll go BE chat. If you re-break the lows, or if you come near like the re-break of lows, we move stocks to break even. Right? Because I guess that bottom wick there was reacted as a support. So if you come down and re-break the lows or around that level, it's like saying you're just retesting the lows. In that case, we can look to manage risk. 27 points in the MT5. What do you mean, like to see price? I mean, I can kind of look at the points already, you know. I never had like that. Like, my whole life, I've always had like just profit margins in terms of dollar. Because we can tell like what we're in drawdown by right now. Like right now we're in drawdown by like almost 20, no, like 15 pips, right? I don't know. GG is pretty easy to calculate. GG and gold, so I don't really like go by count. I don't really need a point counter, I guess. I get stopped out here, chat. This thing looked like it came down. I think it missed our B point by quite a bit. I guess stopped out. No, almost. But yeah, if it re-breaks the highs, technically that's the stops, right? Because this counter shouldn't re-break the highs if it drives down here. So let's see. Yeah, I guess it came pretty close. It was like maybe like a pip, like 2 pips off, basically. But it's not so much about like how many pips we're in by to the E. It's just more so about price action. And I had it set at like this, like literally just the support. That's where I had it set as. Some people might have gone break even. I didn't go B here in this case. I get stopped out here, chat. Might get stopped out here. One last 3 wins. XU? What's XU doing? No, I needed a 1 hour close below 664.811 here for sells. It closed right at it, so in this case it's kind of tough here. Almost hit stops. Didn't hit stops just yet, but you have a 15 closure here, chat, in about 2 minutes here. Or a minute, sorry. So preferably you'll want it to close respecting 159.912. But let's see. Maybe you can manage yourself to 15. Can't lose if you have a huge stop. Yeah, I guess that's true. What's more accurate? MT5. Mediterranean is more accurate than TradingView for sure. TradingView is not that accurate. It's like delayed a little bit. TradingView doesn't have delay, or like it has yeah, no delay, because it's like TradingView is a third party, right? TradingView gets its data from the brokers, so it's always like delayed by like a millisecond. Some people like to trade Oana and stuff on TradingView, I guess, but I don't know. Something I don't really do. Yeah, this 15 closes bullish above. If you get stopped here. But I'm looking to manage this off the 30. If the 30 were to close like this, I'll probably close half and such. But 15 closes bullish above. Technically speaking, this 15 could do something like this. It can definitely come out, break the highs, right? But I'm just gonna let it rock into the 30. I don't think. Did you ever re-break the highs? No, right? You didn't re-break the highs. You just kind of tapped it. But we had current count stops. So technically speaking, the most previous count stops would have been more ideal, like this stop up here. But in this case, doesn't make sense because the RR wouldn't be there. Stops are gonna be like, in that case, would have been like almost 80 pips, right? It's kind of hard to get previous count stops these days on GJ2 this week in general, because every stop was like 50 pips minimum. Every previous count stop you had. The 15 comes down, yeah. If 15 comes down to retest the entry point and it doesn't break the lows, we can look to get out, yeah, or manage risk. She decided to freeze. Yeah, let's see. Right, but off like it just doesn't like at this moment it doesn't really make sense. I guess you say you came down, you just tapped the support level and just rejecting. That was the vantage point. I guess that was it. But that will come down a little steeper. But that deal is there, right? That deal is definitely there. You had that vantage point, and then if you run through. But the whole point was just this range here in this middle. That's it. We can't really do much here, to be honest. If you manage risk, you manage risk, right? But I'm pretty set to the 30 here. It's yo 5-minute range one chat. If you think about it, this is a range one breakout. So this is a 5-minute fake out. This 5-minute closes back into the ranges. Next 5 should pop down. How down bad you gotta be looking at 5 like that? Managers out to 15 or wait for a 30 close. Flash 1 hour. Can this yeah, this 5 here has to break the lows, so it has to break the lows for it to be valid. It has to break the lows 1, or it has to close bearish. Because if this thing flips bullish, you guys know where it's gonna go. It's gonna go back, it's gonna hit stops for sure. 100%, right? So it has to break the lows 1 or just close bearish here in about a minute and a half minimum for this next 5 to continue down. We closing at BE or holding? That's what I'm trying to figure out. I want to wait for a 30 to close, because that could have just been a steeper wick for a 30, right? The 1 hour didn't break the highs. That's the thing about using current count stops as well. You can easily re-break the highs and still drive down. In this case, it came close to breaking the highs. Here. I want a little steeper than that, to be honest, but I mean, it did close back into the range, so I mean, let's see what the 5 does here. But yeah, probably wait for a 30 to close here to manage risk. I don't think it came back to the B point, right? I don't think it ever did. Came close. Came like maybe 2 pips away, but definitely not BE for me. Go clean. Off of 30 will be, yeah. This 15 didn't close below, but this 30 mate. Yeah, this range going down is like 25 pips, I believe. 25, 27 pips in this range. Pretty decent. The previous 30 here to the left, close doji, and then obviously rejected and respected this resistance. So with this 30 driving down and closing below would be an extra confirmation for us to drive through for the rest of the range. Pretty decent. Yeah, you see the 15 chat? You see how it's like rejecting? This gonna be a 15 bottom wick. Because look, the previous 15 close bullish, right? So as long as this 15 has either closed in 8 minutes below its range, or it's invalid. Or if it flips bullish beforehand, it just hit stops, obviously, right? But that's the thing with this 15. It's a 1 hour trade, yeah. Like we're still going off of the 1H and 30. But the 15, if it's closing bullish here, right? At any given point, this would be a bottom wick to drive back up. So if you didn't break the lows then and there, gotta wait for a 30. But again, risk management for me, it's never off of just emotions. It's more so always off of tentacles, right? That's why at one point I was looking at getting out a BE, because that 15 bottom wick could easily just reject any given point, right? But I don't think we came to BE point. Came like maybe near about a pip or two, but never tapped. GP short for GJGU bounce from here. I'm not really looking at GU. I'm looking at GJ. Looking at GJ. Oh, can it break the 15 lows here? All right, what I'm gonna do here, chat. I'm just gonna move stops to BE here, chat. This 15, it can flip at any given point. I'm afraid the 15 may flip. I want to see it has to break the lows, right? If it doesn't break the lows, it won't be valid in this case. So it has to break the lows. If it doesn't break the lows here, it's set to flip bullish. So I'd rather take the chances of going BE than it not breaking a lows and this thing flipping again. Because if it flips again, it's gonna drop all the way back up, right? So in this case, just gonna move stops to BE here. Managers in this form. We're coming close though. I think we're like almost like 3 pips away from breaking lows, but that 15 really has to break before you drop down here. And we're also around the B point anyways too, right? So we might as well just take advantage. I think we hit B. Yeah, we're out. Yeah, there's that trade. B on that trade there, chat. But good risk management though. We didn't really close out earlier due to you know, being scared, going off of emotions. We manage risk logically. In this case, it just made sense here because this is the 3rd time this 15 came down, right? So if it's coming down again and it's not breaking the lows, it's coming very close, it can get flipped at any given point. I'd rather take the chances of us going BE than hoping that we can drive down another 3 pips to break the lows. Because if you break that low right then and there, it would have drove through all the way. But if it doesn't break the low, it's gonna flip bullish like it is right now, and it could just be a 15 bottom wick for this 15 to just hover up and stay above these ranges to the left. So, or you can take the gamble and wait for a 30 instead. But the 30 is in 5 minutes. That's a lot of time. So if the 15 starting to reject, you know what I mean? So it gets kind of difficult. So I'd rather just get out at BE than hold out for the 30. But yeah, good risk management there, chat. Doubles in the chat. Good risk management for sure. If it drives through now, it drives through. If it doesn't, then it doesn't. But it's not my business no more. We can wait for gold here in about 4 minutes. No one deserves a clap. All right, TT. You always be chatting, huh? Always be chatting.
She moved out of state and shit that went left. She seeking forgiveness. She used to dance, but she went alone and started a business.
Only for the 2 months? I appreciate it, brother. Thank you for the 2 months. You ever regret getting out of trades? No, that's the thing about getting out of trades too. Like, you have to be very, very true to your plan. You can't be the Mr. Shoulda, Woulda, Coulda, right? Because if you're always the Mr. Shoulda, Woulda, Coulda, you're always gonna be running around in circles, like every day. You're always gonna be chasing something. You close too early, you should have got the extra 70 pips. You close too late, I should have waited a little longer to manage risk. You know, there's always something that you're gonna say, like, you should have done this, should have done that. And it's an endless cycle. But if you're true to your plan, who cares what happens after? Like, I closed there, this thing could drive down now, hit target. I can care less. It's not my business. I made this decision based off of whatever factor, and that's what I'm going off of, right? So you can't really feel bad, or you can't really FOMO after. You made that decision. If you wanted to stay in, your ass would have been in. You would have stayed in, right? So that's how I kind of deal with that stuff. At first, yeah, you're gonna start to regret certain things, but takes time to adapt. Gold class though, see, so that 15 just flipped there, so we would have been probably got stopped out here. I mean, there's a high chance it'll re-break the highs now. That 15 came very close, right? So that's why I'll say too, it's not really about like pips wise, right? Because we're 4 pips in profit there. The first time we're 8 pips in profit, no risk management. The second time we're 4. However, the 4 was a little different from the 8 because it's a different situation from the price action standpoint, right? Look at that, 15 just broke the high, so you would have got stopped out. So hopefully, if you guys learned something today, hope you guys learned how to manage risk with logically, right, and not emotionally. A lot of times, this is what could happen. Yo, Marcos. Yo, are you doing another stream today, Marcos? Oops, you're on mute. Why are you on mute?
Yeah.
Another long stream today?
The long stream.
Nice. Those are good streams, I think. I think those have a lot of potential to pop off. I don't think I've seen anyone do that. I've seen people do like serious shit, like turning my dropshipping website, like, you know, start my dropshipping website from start to finish, but I've never seen someone live stream.
Yeah, I agree.
Yo, T Mango. Thank you, brother.
She moved out of state and shit that went left. She seeking forgiveness.
Hey, you have a lot of subs today. You have 3 today.
Alone, start up a business.
9 months. Thank you. Yeah, chat. Tune to that if you guys want to see Marcos build a business.
Yeah, squad's here.
Looks not here as well. Taking up space.
Sub only mode.
Yeah, I'm turning on TTS. Process. Fuck.
I got that extension too, buddy. Interesting.
What was that?
Shows you like the SEO score of like the video based on like the title and the tags.
For any channel?
Yeah, you have a 65 for this stream.
Is that decent?
What do you think iShow Speeds is? That's
Wait.
he puts like 7 as his title.
Wait, what is it? Your click rate?
It tells you your SEO score based on like your titles,
score.
and tags, and everything. Like your title is pretty good.
Oh, my tags. Shout out to Reza. Tags are pretty decent, right? I think our tags are like most searched tags.
Your tags are. It says 10 out of 20 for the tags in the description.
Damn.
Well, the actual tags is 20 out of 20. Title and description 15 out of 20. Your total score is a 65 out of 100. So it could be better. Is that a different Reza?
Yep. What's the name of the
Number 2?
song? Living Up, Post Malone.
Coffee's right here. Always have. Stay strapped.
I'm not gonna lie, yo. I don't have like sub only mode on, but I got top chat on. I don't know if we've been getting toxic comms today, to be honest, but it's been a vibe. Top chat has been a vibe today. Not gonna lie. At first I dissed that feature, but we might just gotta start using it from now on. It looks a little better than I think it clears out all like the bad stuff, right?
Low key.
Yeah, I feel like top chat just clears out all like the non-sub people. Is Dominion markets available in Canada? I think so. I'm guessing they go along with like trader's domain, which is crypto's country, right? I'm pretty sure. Yeah, if I don't see your comment, you're probably in the live chat, not the top chat. Yeah, by the way, look at GJ, it came all the way back up. Damn. Tough.
You saw my new thumbnail of you? Us.
Yeah, you sent it, right?
Yeah, can't help me make it too. The chat was kind of
No,
directing
you
it.
need this thumbnail right here.
I had the fire. Yeah, fuck that. I had the fire. We typed FOREX on YouTube, and all the thumbnails were so bad, bro.
Bigger brands.
Bro,
Unskippable
Mr.
50.
Beast. I listened to the first like 15 minutes before I fell asleep. I'm gonna finish that today.
Patagonia. Is he playing LeBron's? These LeBron 11s? LeBron 10s, I think. What's the guy's name again?
Bradley Martin.
Mm.
He's the best part of that podcast. His podcast is really good though.
Is this the guy that got so high on that podcast with Mike Tyson? Is that him or no?
You talking about Joe Rogan?
Nah, the Mike Tyson one. Is this the same guy? Hold on.
No, you're talking about Bob Menery.
This is different, right?
Bob Menery got fired.
Him?
Yeah, he got fired.
For what?
Probably for being bad at the pod. The podcasts were really bad before they added Bradley Martin. Like they would ask the stupidest questions.
Yeah, so what are your thoughts on like how do you get profitable?
Bro, these dudes had like Elon Musk asking the worst questions, bro. Like, dude, you smash any birds, dude?
Yeah, dude.
Bradley Martin's podcast, Raw Talks, fire. He had Schneeko. It was actually really good.
Circle.
Chat gang.
Thank you, brother.
Work
Yo, but $100 that you won. Yo, we might do a giveaway today, chat. Want to do a giveaway? Maybe. Giveaway, chat.
What are you giving away?
$100. Round giveaway. In a live chat.
Got posted on IG first. Say the giveaway's at 8:30.
Nah, if you're here, you're here. Real ones only today.
Ooh, W.
Real ones only today. If you're here, you're here. If you're not here, that's tough. We'll do it later though, chat. We'll do like around. You gotta be here though. You gotta be here at 9. We'll be here. We'll do it around like 9, 8:30, 9ish around that time. So just be here. We're gonna do the same way we did it last time. Just go on a video, comment, and then boom. Give away a used pair of socks. All right. Which one do you want? The black one or the white one? Yo. Wix9. What's going on? Where you at? You muted. Rolling J. Yo, how many likes do we have? Yo, yeah, we need some likes first for the giveaway to chat. We have how many viewers here? 500? Chat, we can at least get 300 likes, man, for sure. Ooh, 1 hour steeper to wake. Could it break the lows and drive? Damn, another rejection here again on gold. It closed bearish here, respecting, but it's still close respecting this level. So you have another rejection there. The 1 hour didn't close below, obviously, but yeah, 23 minutes left. ADM could be some decent sells. So much talking, no trading. What you mean? Imagine we took my trades and we talking. Let's just have a stream one day where we just take eliminate trades. See where it gets us.
Nah, it's MVP. MPV is joking.
No, I know, but I'm saying in general, like we should have a stream one day where we're just no rules followed.
With a light skin on the stream, you might get 800 likes. That's facts. I moisturized this morning. My face is silky smooth.
100 counts ground trades.
That should be blown in 5 minutes.
Yo, let's just take every 5-minute wick fill. We need an algo day though for that to happen. We need an algo day, like a day where you just like literally any position you enter would just be off the rip in profits. Those algo days. Be gone by the weekend.
Hey yo.
Take a trade each candle, bullish or bearish.
You know Barstool, Dave Portnoy?
Yeah.
You know how he does those pizza reviews?
No, I never watch. I watch a lot of bars still.
Yeah. Well, chat, I know you know. One of the pizza reviews he did, like one of the top ones, got a 9.3. It's right next to my house. I'm gonna go there later for dinner. I'm excited. 9.3, crazy high. Barstool's only for NYC people. That's cap. It was actually started in Massachusetts. T-Mango, I'll tell you next stream. That's how it happened to those rappers. I'll tell you next stream.
Meet Marcos there, chat. TT, but I thought the sells weren't looking good for GJ TT. TT, you said the sells weren't good when we were in earlier. What makes it look better now? Yeah, chat. So I guess what happened was price came out, created a stupid wick, and that was a drive. But hey, as you can see,
Moved out of state and shit that went left. She
stops are a bit too wide though for me to re-enter or
She used
anything,
to
right?
dance, but she want a loan and start up a
39
business.
to stops. Yo, tier 1 again. Thank you. More effects. Oh, what's up? What's up? Can I flip? Yeah, the count flip wasn't too bad. I was looking at that too off the 1H, but even the count flip would give it like what, a 4 pip stop. The TP is only 31 pips. It feels a little steeper, maybe, but I don't know. I don't think I would have taken it. Or obviously I didn't take it, but I don't think I would have taken it. TD doesn't support US residents. It does if you do crypto as country. Oh wait, chat. I don't get paid for this too, by the way. I don't get paid for TD promo. I just promote TD because I know that's what I used to use, right? I don't even promote Blueberry. But if you guys do want Blueberry, link in the bio. Sheesh. 20 minutes left, chat, for this 1 hour close and go there, right? So just hang on tight. Just relax. It's a Friday. Be patient today, right? Bro, imagine living in New York and you walk on the streets in New York and next thing you know, hey, what song are you listening to? You know those videos? There's so I think everyone's doing them now. So I think New York is flooded with that.
I like those videos.
Not gonna ask a question. What's up? You know what we need to do? We need to wear suits, go down to Wall Street in New York, and ask all those guys tips on investing for a video. That'd be lit. That'd be a lit video. Ever found a sound? No, I never found that sound out, Matt Ellison. I know what I'm talking about, but I never found it. We take sales on GJ and the closure below, considering the clean traffic. Yeah. If I take the range, I'll definitely take the sales below as well. The sales below is a little cleaner. Yeah, for sure. We broke the 4 lows. The daily has no top wick. Yeah, anywhere below what was that, 519? Pretty decent. You have clean traffic until 159, 156. That's like a 4-pip range going down, 35. I'd like to thank you, ma'am. I passed my Forex Funds challenge after your clear guidance and lit streams. Thank you and keep up the great work. Cool. What phase did you pass? The first or the second? I'm guessing the second, right? That's good shit.
So whoa FX.
Yeah, chat. How many of you guys have a funded account and you guys have a what's it called? Like a trade copier for it. I had a funded account. The second I'm funded. My fund is collecting dust. Don't you have a limit for 30 days or something? I've been practicing with like 2.5% of my capital or my account. I finally feel like I'm getting more confidence. I wanted to ride out October, then increase capital. Honestly, bro, TikTok.
I don't know. TikTok had to censor me.
I wonder why, motherfucker.
Because I'm too uncensored. I'm like Jerry.
Looks Tate.
Jerry.
I'll probably try to figure out TikTok soon.
I think I might have found a TikTok live studio thing. I might have found it.
Came from Daniel Savage. What a difference this might be, right? But, yeah. Go Savage gang.
You were his
Eddie?
favorite NY streamer. Thank you, brother. Yeah, he did say that. I remember that. Yeah, I talk to him now and then. Nice guy. A lot of people may not think that. They don't think Dan Savage is a nice guy. He's actually a pretty nice guy. He's chill if you talk to him. On the internet, he's someone else, right? On the internet, he's someone else, but like if you talk to him, he's pretty nice. He's pretty chill. That's how a lot of people don't know.
Where were you last night for Asian, huh?
Me?
Yeah.
I was not on Asian. I can tell you that. I wasn't. Did you? It didn't even happen during Asian. It was Chop, right?
Yeah, it was Chop.
Yeah,
It
I
was
figured.
Chop.
I didn't even like care to even like think about Asian, like open up Asian session last night. Usually I'll be there checking charts up, but I didn't like look at charts. I'm like, yeah, I don't think anything's gonna happen today.
Because of the closeout of the month, right? The last trading day of the month.
And even
last
like
trading day
the
of the
way the
week.
structure looked yesterday, like where are you during
But-
Asian at the resistance? Like, yeah.
You're gonna stream NY when Don is in NY. I might be in NY when Don is in NY, but it's not 100%. Because I should be in NY in December. So yeah, Don got Brooklyn on his back. What dates are you in New York?
The 28th, October 28th to November 4th.
You're literally celebrating Halloween in New York.
Fuck, it is Halloween week on. Oh yeah, that's what it was. Yeah, but I have to go before my hockey season starts. My shit starts in November.
Yeah, chat. When hockey season starts, might not see Don on here.
No, I'm gonna get a GoPro chat. I'm gonna try to get some content or some shit. Like first time playing hockey footage, yo.
Homie's gonna be sitting at his computer desk with some skates on and a fucking goalie mask.
No, I'm excited. Like my whole life, I've been wanting to play hockey, like ice hockey. So for me to actually be able to play now, or afford to play hockey, because hockey's mad expensive. I couldn't afford that growing up. Like your parents are gonna like just my parents aren't. They're not just gonna put me in the hockey league. You buy me
You're
equipment
crazy.
and all that shit. Nah.
You better hip check somebody and start a fight your first game. First game, I want to see gloves.
There's no
flying.
contact, fortunately.
What do you mean no contact? You can't hit somebody?
No, it's like a beginner league.
Wait a minute. So how do you take the puck away? It's the whole fun of the game. Like, oh shit, the guy I don't like has the puck. Everybody after him.
Yeah, I'm excited.
That's why they don't let me play hockey. Because first time somebody hits me, I'm taking my skates off and I'm coming after you. Got a big stick.
Duh, I messed up yesterday. I meant to open up a few .4s and I opened up a few .40s by mistake. It was supposed to be a half risk trade and I went like 3 times my risk from a small account got burned. Damn. Yeah, that happens though. You can't really do anything about that, to be honest. Like it happens to me like a couple times. in my life too. I think a good 4 or 5 times. It happens. You just gotta.
You know how we know it happens? It's standard operating procedure for that to happen, and then for you to come on here and complain about it.
It's
Like many people come on here and complain about that.
Yeah, it happens. It happens when you're just trying to move quicker on MT5. And sometimes it's a little glitchy too. It happens. But you can't really do anything. You can't just gotta look forward, look past it. It's just a dumb mistake. It's not even like a mistake that you could avoid. It's just a dumb mistake.
Honestly, it just happens when you're impulsive and you market execute. If you're planning ahead of time, it's very hard for that to happen if you're setting stops.
Yeah.
How's the monthly closing? You seen it?
Yeah, I watched a breakdown at 6:30 this morning.
Did you? I don't want to watch the breakdown.
Monthly is that close
Have you seen
bearish. That close bearish. That close bearish. Is he good?
Below D range.
Yeah. All clean.
Next month we're gonna have next week bullish pullback.
Yeah. Last month was kind of chopped, right? Because they had no bottom wick, but this month should be straightforward.
Yeah, we thought it might make a bottom wick and come up because it also closed right at support, right? With no
Yeah.
bottom wick. It still came down.
Damn. This thing really came down. Should we not wait for a retest after entering the gold short? Yeah, you need this candle to close. You need to top for the next candle, which is the retest, right? So yeah, you need that stuff to form first. You need a closure here, and then you need this. Next candle pops up, creates a top wick, and then that's your sells, right? Coming down. That's like we always do every day, right? I always wait for the top wicks. You feeling? You can't hit, but you can be rough with them, especially when the 4-year-olds get mad. Yeah, yeah. It's like all age thing. Like I think some people are there like 50 plus, some are like just like 16. The all age thing, but it's pretty cool.
You want to get in their head? Just bring them some like painkillers before the game. Here, be like, here, you're gonna need this after. Just bring them some like muscle cream. Like, here's some aspirin cream. Your ass gonna be hurt.
Aspirin.
So you get in their heads, chat. Tell them what they should expect. They won't let me in the league. I'll fucking threaten the refs.
Yeah, you're definitely a hockey player that has no visor on. Just straight up
Me?
wear a helmet. Yep, you'll be that guy.
Me?
There's hockey players that don't wear visors. That's definitely you. Like if I were to show you guys pictures of hockey players with no visors, you'd put wicks on it there for sure.
I would have fucking cornrows drawn on my helmet.
Like this is definitely you. The ones that wear no visors. Like you can tell this is wicks on. Look. If you look at a hockey player's chat, look at the players with the visors, right? Look at the players with the visors, right? And look at the ones with no visors. Like you can tell this will be wicks on. You can just know what kind of player they are.
Right there, to the right. Third picture. You see he's high sticking someone in the face? That's me.
Yo, a minute and a half here, guys. Gotta lock it in. Lock it in here. You have GJ here, and then you have gold here as well. Gold has a lot of potential here. For these cells coming down here. A lot of potential. All this traffic coming down towards like 1660 is. So you have all that range going down here. You just need a closure in the top wick. Then we can get in some positions. Obviously, you can't use the previous kind of stops here. It looks a little too wide here. But as you're breaking back into this range here, you're expecting price to kind of fill the range, right?
Yo, gold on. If you went to Asian session last night, it did exactly to the T what we drew out for London. So if you were on Asian and you were up for the pre-London, beginning of London, we fucking drew it out. The fake out, the closure back above, and then the little ranging between 11 and a.m. and then a 1 a.m. push. We fucking drew like all 5-6 candles out on a on
Oh
gold.
shit! I just realized gold forest seller replay as we speak right now. Oh damn.
So if you were on last night's Asian, you would have had like 100 pips on gold.
Yeah, landing the buys, right?
Yeah, so we had the fake out below over there. See the candle close the bearish candle? If you go on the 1 hour, that closed with no bottom wick.
Yeah. Oh, wait, I can't lock it in
It
here.
was around midnight.
Chat, these sells aren't bad. They just need a top wick, so we can come up the top like most recent resistance at like 16.64. You can definitely take the sells coming down here on this 1 hour candle. This clean range going down for 14. Top wick looking like it's gonna be around the 14-15 pip mark, because that's just the most recent resistance to the left. And then the sells coming down would be too bad. The whole range going down for sells would be a total of like 20, 30 pips, 28 pips. And you might even leave runners too. You could leave runners with 4H, but I'm probably just gonna TP at 1660, to be honest. I don't really want any runners today. How big is the first candle stop? 27. Actually, you might be able to use the 1 hour stops actually, or 30-minute stops. Yeah, sells this on the flip.
Hey, K. We had the tomato play. That's right. Did you take it? Did you guys take it after the stream? Pro on real session caught it all over 8% on a 10K challenge. Fire. 1 day challenge trade worked. Khalik. Now you have to just be patient and don't just jump onto any trade, but make sure it's a high quality trade to just finish off that challenge, right?
Yeah, chat, I'm gonna have to go like half wrist here. Stop's a little wide. I'm using the Prius 30 on the flip here on gold. So yeah, gonna have to go a little 10 lot. Can't really go 20s. Current count stops and go 20s probably, but actually, how big are stops? 20. Actually, I maybe use. Oh, actually, it's only 27.
Using previous candle stops.
First 30, yeah. Let's see if it comes up to create a steeper wick. I'll use a 1 hour current high. But right now, I have it set at the previous 30. 6.6. Yeah, this is a perfect top wick too. Look where it closed on 32. It closed like right below his range to the left too as well. So with this flip here, you have all this range going down minimum for like 15, 13 pips here. If you look left too, every time you close below, you can't drop down, right? Close below, drove down here, drove down, all these ranges going down here. So you have all that volume, all that clean traffic. Nice. Almost activate, chat. $66.3.25 on Blueberry. Yeah, we have news at 8:30 though, so remember what happened yesterday? Was it yesterday where we avoided trade because of the news? Hopefully that doesn't happen today. But yesterday, I think I played out like the last 5 minutes of the news candle or before news. But we're still kind of early today, chat. It's like 8:04. News comes at 8:30. You have 25 minutes. You have a lot of time. If it doesn't activate by like 2015, we just delete. What is that?
Yeah, Wickfill for an advantage point too.
Yeah.
Like 6 pips.
I would have used current candle if it came up a bit higher, but yeah. Yep. I believe we're activated here. Yep, I'm activated here, chat. So I'm in some sells there. Stop loss is the previous 30 for around 28 pips. 27. TP's down here for around 20, 29, 28-ish. The bottom of the range here. Basically a 1-to-1 on a dot. You have the Wickfill, which is I think 5 pips in profit. My B point is probably gonna be like right here, 1662.325 around his level, or to break it a Wickfill. Because you break that low, you should pretty much be clean to drop through.
No warnings today for the Floridians. Yeah, no, my kids woke up, they walked in the room and said, we got to go to school. And I said, if you want to, you can get dressed. And if you're dressed when I'm done streaming, I'll take you to school.
Wait, isn't there a holiday today? No, that was their day, right?
The last 2 days, they had school was closed because of the hurricane. But it's opening up right now. And I'm thinking realistically, so many people dipped with the hurricane. So many people didn't
They're
come
not
through
gonna
there.
show up. Yeah.
People aren't even back in Florida yet.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I told him, hey, and the one that wants to go is the one that goes to kindergarten or VPK. She's like, no, I want to go. My friends are there. I'm like, your friends are like with Hurricane Ian right now. The older one doesn't. It's not that they don't like. They don't like waking up, but like they love going to school because all their friends are there. It's not like New York, like they come home and go outside, and like hundreds of kids are outside. No, like in New York, I used to just go outside, come home, go outside, and just see people. Right over here, I gotta take them to like parks, and it's never like the same kids because. So they like going to school because it's the same people over and over, and they get to see their friends over and over. They establish relationships in schools that they can't in the parks here because parks here are so far away that it's always like different people, different parks.
Yeah, Miami's not that. Yeah, Miami's a little more spread out.
Yeah, it's not like you can go outside and just go get the basketball court or a handball court,
Like, where's the nearest school? And like next to your school? Like 20, 30 minutes, right?
Or near school?
A school that's next to yours, like a near school.
No, there's a lot of schools around. You know what I mean? Like but it's not 20, 30 minutes. No, it's like 10-minute drive, right? But it's not like it's like an hour walk. And like when you pick them up from school and you take them to one park, for most parents, it's a drive. So a lot of times parents just go to different parks or. So when you go to the park, it's very rarely you'll see the same people in the same park every single day. In New York, you just go to the park that was like, on your block.
You in Netflix?
Yeah.
Chad, don't ask me why. It's not that we always move stocks to break even at 10, but this B point is literally the 10 pip mark. It's at the 9-10 pip mark. It's always the 12 pip mark. Don't ask me how, don't ask me why, but like that's just where the support is. And in this case, we're gonna move stops to break even here, chat. Stops to break even here. This candle should not reflip if it wants to dry, or ideally shouldn't reflip. We should be able to stay bearish here because our entry's on the flip, right? And we also came down, tapped the level again, just like the morning. So it's a minor support there to the left, and that was the range we wanted to take advantage of. Yeah, on the dot. Yep.
Look, rejected right off of there. W trade management.
Another B trade.
September's like, you're not getting any more out of me.
Yeah.
Not giving you no more money.
Yeah, it tapped on the dot chat. It kind of did what Gigi did this morning, exactly the same way. It came down like around the 8 and 7 pip mark. Again, like the risk here was the previous kind of highs, but if we're entering the flip and we're coming down, tap that level, like that's where I want to get out, right? Because anything can happen this morning. It can re-break the highs here, and it can still respect the 1 hour highs to still drive down later. So, and also you have news too, so you want to probably get out there, right?
You know, that was our level for Asian, because we had this drawing up, and then we had a closure below with no top wick, and I said it's gonna close above, and it's the same level. It's coming down.
Yeah.
And then we said it's gonna range before. This is the 11, 12, and the 1 a.m. candle. Boom. Volume. This is a strong level. We drove off of.
People want like 7 pips, yeah. Like the whole idea was like we're breaking back into the range, right? And then you're expecting price to like kind of fill the range here. But on a way to fill the range, it has levels that it has to break through first. In this case, like you have levels here that you can't really avoid, right? Or in this case. And especially with news coming around a corner, like right at 8:30, you want to be able to take advantage as soon as possible, and be risk free. In this case, like that's if there wasn't for news, maybe less aggressive, but news in 20 minutes, I don't want to be getting during the news, right?
You want to be playing with house money at that point, right? Every time you break even, that's it. You have no more risk. Imagine being risk free every position.
Why not take 50%? That wasn't a bad idea as well. Like taking 50 wouldn't be a bad idea. I wanted to really take 50 at like the near like the bottom of the range, at least like anywhere like 6 and 6-1. Because the 30, right? 30 had a clean range till then, so that's probably why I would have done it. But up to you. It was like 7 pips. Some people like to take partials a little closer depending on the trade. Yeah, in this case, I just decided to just be point, because there's a lot of range drop down here. It was like 25 pips, 30 pips. Yeah, exactly, Green. You don't always have to follow me as well. You can take profits whenever and all that stuff, right? That's the thing about trading, though. You can be very versatile. Everyone can manage risk in their own form. It's been a long time. We don't have that initial push on our entries. What do you mean? That was the initial push, right? It might not be as big as it was in quarter 3, but then again, it's quarter 4 for a reason, right? Or near end of quarter 3 for a reason. You have the comics open here though in about 7 minutes. The comics open. With the comics open, it should be interesting. Or comics open.
Comics.
Yeah. It's like, yo, Don, this is your B point? Alright, bet. Gonna tap that level real quick. Or we're breaking the lows. I think now would have hit the official supports. But still, see how I'm struggling here now? I hate news days. It's just 8:30 and you can't really do anything at 8:30, unfortunately. And 8:30 is very crucial too. It's the first like 30 closure after the 8 AM candle. So kinda. How many times have you seen BE? Then run back to TP? Often. But there's also pretty often times where we've seen BE and back to stop loss. Like this, like the GG trade.
Yeah, I was gonna say,
Like
How
the
many
same
times
thing.
has that BE ran to stop loss? Where you
I've
would've
seen it.
lost?
I've seen more stop loss than the TP. To be honest.
Chances are it'll hit stop loss instead of TP when that
Yeah.
happens, so it's not worth it.
Yeah.
You really want the initial drive, right? We're not, when we're taking the trade, we're guessing that candle, right? We're predicting that candle is gonna go. We're not thinking, oh, it's gonna come back ranged, and the other one. Then we would have taken when that candle's gonna go.
Hmm.
That's why you're here for this specific time, because you're expecting candles to drive, because this is volume time, right? You're here 8 a.m. You're not here at 2 p.m.
15 just closed. It closed kind of belowish. So with the comics open, I mean, I would expect it to drop through, but you do have news flow in the way today, right at 8:30. Could be a short day today, chat. I'm not gonna lie. Could be a 9 a.m. day again. Look, I'm looking at the viewers chat. These are all the fake viewers. How are you gonna tell me we have a peak here and here? You know what happened here and here? This is the GJ trade, and this is a gold trade. You guys come every time we are in a trade, and in the moment we're in our trade, I'm out. Oh, he's in again? Back in. Man, you guys gotta be consistent. You see, these are the loyal people. These are like the TTs, the Ks, the Martins, the greens, the circles, you know? And this right here are the other ones. The ones that just
Signals.
yeah.
Signal searchers.
The stream hoppers. Yeah, stream hop. I see you
Stream
guys.
hoppers.
To double top? You're tripping to double top. Bro. If you think about it, if this is the current trend of the markets, let's do analysis real quick. So this is your resistance. You didn't close above. Once you close above here, it should be good to continue up. That probably won't come to like 9 a.m. though. 8:45, 9 a.m. ish chat. You should see that volume push to like towards the 800 point mark, 800, 900 point mark. But right now we're sitting around the 600. We're in a range here from basically here to here, the 400 to 600. But once you break out, you should see continuation of price to drive up. But that probably won't come to 9 a.m. You think 100 viewers today? You're done for a day? Sheesh. Good shit. When you see everything on charts, that's how I see life though. Life is like a chart to me. There's continuation, there's pullbacks in life. There's also reversals if you can't handle the consolidation zones. I don't know. Everything's just price action to me, chat. I don't know. I do not know, but this is life. This is how I see life.
Life is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get.
Yeah. Like this is life. You can be
Mom always say
living a good life. And then, you know, let's say some shit happens to you, man. Some shit happens to you. You get a little pullback, right? But as that pullback happens, you're just kind of creating a range in your lifetime. Like you're trying to figure things out. But once you figure things out, you can pull back until you figure things out. So let's say you pull back a little further. Once you figure things out though, you'll form that nice support in life right here. This is your new support. So all you need to do at that support is just continue to do what you're doing, and then you just eventually come up to retest the highs again.
Yeah, that's definitely some shit for us going to say to Jenny.
Yo, the stream hoppers are turning into a fucking clan in the chat. He said, "Proud stream hopper. We get one win, we on to the next." I respect it. They're their whole gang.
Yeah, but
Yo,
is
hunted.
what's better, the stream hoppers or the multiple stream?
Neither.
People.
Coffee gang.
The two stream people that are running like 3 screens.
Coffee gang's the best gang.
Asking
Damn, I
questions
just
for
got
the
slipped
wrong
100
stream.
pips. Oh, let's go on this guy's stream now.
He said, "Y'all mad because we didn't start here." Yo, it's a fucking clan. We about to have clan fucking gang wars in the chat. I respect the fuck out of that. At least you own it. Fuck.
W stream management.
Stream management. They have squad streams. They have a monitor with each stream up. The top 5 major streamers. They got 5 monitors with 5 streams, and then 5 monitors with 5 charts. It's 10 monitors.
Guys like this. Guy's sitting at his computer desk like it's the first row of the movie theater.
I said gold, 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 gold.
Gold, gold, gold. Yeah, this thing's pulling back. Where's the Don? What if you hold for TP? This would hit stops again. If you would have done that. Yeah, we gotta probably wait till 8:30 here, chat. Most likely 9. It might be a day, to be honest. I mean, I'm here till 9. I'm here till 9 minimum, but let's see that next 30-minute count plays out. It really depends on how 9 a.m. looks, really, right? Really depends. When I was about to break the highs though. Oh, comics open. Ooh, just 15. This 5 opened up bullish. Yeah. Futures in the range too.
Get Botox, Marcos?
Huh?
Did I get Botox?
He frowns and got no wrinkles. Like you got no lines on your forehead, nothing. Look at that.
Told you, I moisturized
Look,
this morning.
look at me, chat. Look at this.
I thought I was kidding.
And this guy, like, he can make any facial expression.
I need to brush my hair, man.
He needs to.
What's going on right here?
That boy got no wrinkles.
Feeling like a little.
Wait,
Actually,
so
the waves are
you
mid
growing
right
it
now.
out again, or you're going?
Nah.
You trying to get waves?
I'm chilling. I'm not trying, bro.
Wave
I have
check.
to tame my waves.
Put a do-rag on.
If I did, it would be bad. I don't really like it when it's too wavy. You know what I'm saying? If I put a do-rag on, it's gonna turn
Yo,
into a fucking
but-
hurricane up there.
So
That's
so is
funny,
it
dude.
wolfing season?
Wolfing season? Nah, I mean, I'm staying
I know my
groomed.
terms.
I'm keeping the beard light. He said my terms, bro. You think you created wolfing?
Well, I said I know my terms, as in like I know these terms.
I
I'm cultured enough.
I can't do the wolfing. My shit gets so patchy if I grow everything. I'm saying this is a highly groomed Marco season.
Yo, what if Margot's and Wicks were to switch hairstyles?
I'll be sexy either way.
Yo, imagine Wicks now on fucking
Wix
With
now
waves.
with waves. Yo, someone edit it.
yeah. That's
Someone
that's
edit
that's
waves.
the real Wicks wisdom right there. That's the real Wicks wisdom.
Wavy Wix. Rate my hairstyle, bro. This is the most common hairstyle among the nappy-haired community.
Are you Grant X? Among the community.
A mohawk? My parents always wanted me to get a mohawk as a kid. I don't know why.
I have a mohawk, but I had spiky hair. I have long spikes.
It's because Puerto Ricans always have mohawks. It's not. It's like a. It's a different style mohawk though.
The Wix wave.
Might be a day chat.
Next streamer it is. it me or is everyone doing a challenge at the moment? What's going on?
It's quarter 4. I mean, everyone's loaning a lot. Their account size, I guess. I don't know.
Just waiting for this closure. It's not coming.
I don't really get the challenges though. It's like
I don't get it either.
it's like
why?
I mean, I get it, but again, it's like it's the same shit that we do. It's just like you
It's
could
weird. It's like
you
you know,
could
what, this month I want to lower my income. I want to make 100 times less. Like, why? You've literally raised yourself to a level.
I guess a lot of it's just for content, but like in terms of
Marketing.
just trading, yeah, it's more. But in terms of trading itself, like there's no point because like it's what
Then
you're
you
doing
have
the
to
whole-
use your brain,
just-
right?
I
Like,
mean,
if,
even the viewers, they can just take the same trades you've been taking this month, next month, and just okay, start a new
Yeah, but if
account
you're-
and go buy a challenge.
but if you're consciously coming to the streams knowing that the guy you're watching is doing something for marketing, doing a specific, like, has no need to do this and is doing this for marketing. Why are you watching it? Like, why are you watching someone market to you instead of provide value?
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah,
I
reduce
I
risk,
already
don't fucking
done that
just-
though. Like we did that in like 2019, and honestly,
What'd you do?
the challenge, $100 to 1,000, took us like I think 4 months,
3 months.
three and a half, 4 months, right? 2020. I remember that. I did that.
Oh, that shit's
It's
boring.
What-
it's just for
Why? Like,
content.
why
A
would you
lot of
have-
it is just for content. That's what it is.
I
Have
got
you
$1
guys
million,
seen that
but
a
today I'm gonna
million
trade
times, bro?
1,000.
You could put that shit on a YouTube search bar and see 20 people.
Yeah, do
Yeah.
a fucking challenge.
Fuck,
Why?
that's so old, bro. Like,
It's I don't know. It's like I guess it's to bring in an audience. I don't know. There's a certain audience that loves that stuff. Though. They love to
It's
see like
because-
flipping small accounts to bigger account.
well, it's because 99% of the industry has a small account, so it's the way to stay relatable. But I don't know. It's just fucking boring. But I guess there's not a lot of content ideas when you're in FX,
Yeah, it's
right?
not.
There's not a lot of
Really.
content you can do in FX because 99% of the audience is in the same spot, and they always will be. So it's just like there's not much you can talk about.
I don't get it too. It's like if you're gonna do a challenge, just take the same trades you've been taking. Just start a new account up. It's the same shit. It's like doesn't matter. Just use the same risk. If you're not calculating risk, it's the same thing. Like it's just 100% per trade. Over time, yeah, your account will grow. Like if you're watching the streams this year, your account would have grown from January, right? With what we did this year. So it just kind of happens. It's like a mindset. It's like a mental thing though. It's like a mindset thing. Have a challenge account, take it more seriously. Like why didn't you just lock it in from the start?
It's called reducing risk. If you already make a lot, you might as well start small again. That makes no fucking sense.
What sense does that make? You know what? I got a raise, but no.
Yo,
I want
Elon.
to go back to the mailroom.
Yo, Elon. Start over.
Where can you?
I know you
just
worked your whole
leave
fucking
Tesla?
life to build Tesla. Start over and build Tesla. You bitch. Reduce risk.
Word.
Reduce risk.
Sell everything and start over.
Hey, Bezos, I know you worked your whole life to start Amazon. Start over. Reduce risk.
Actually, fuck it. You know, keep doing what you're doing, but get rid of your salary. Just stop getting paid.
You're already a billionaire, bro. Start at zero. You won't.
Start at zero, yo.
Do it once, you do it again.
Just to show us that you could do it. Just call us out on it and be like, look, I don't need this shit.
Yo, Bezos, I know you're faking profits. Jeff Bezos is faking profits. Do it again.
So
You
it's-
won't.
That's a demo Amazon.
Where's your results? Show your
It's an
results.
Amazon demo account.
Where's your results, man? 1 year of results.
One of your results. Link in the bio.
Yeah, I think Elon's a fraud.
Yeah, it's not just for content, really. I mean, there's a reason why. You know.
No, we realized that it was like a 1 in 100 million. That's why would you go back to start over?
Oh man. Third man close. Chat. News. What's gonna happen here? PC price index. They're expecting good numbers. So with good numbers coming out, gold tends to drive down technically, but price action states that right now it could be pushing up. So let's see what this next 30-minute count does as it's about to close bullish here above the range. If it closes above that buy down, no, I'm not no buys. I'm not no buys. You know what always matters? Yes, sir. Nice guy.
Check out the podcast with Stop Loss Matters.
Yeah, we have August has a podcast with him.
We should do I was gonna word that wrong. We should do a 3-person podcast. 4-person. All 4 of us. And just talk shit. You guys down?
Is he available? Where is he? It's like 5 a.m. right there. Oh no, what am I
He's in
saying? He's in London. It's fucking like 3 p.m.
Yeah,
No, not the second. In the future.
I was asking him to hop on right
The
now.
future.
He might be
He's
doing
having
his
a
New
cup
York
of
thing
tea.
right now though, I think.
He's got it.
Yeah, look at gold. Came up, came back down. I guess numbers came out good, right? And it just wasn't good enough to push price all the way through. It wasn't that. Yeah, it came out good. So numbers came out good for sure, but in terms of price action, it didn't really make sense to take sells anywhere. Or I wouldn't have taken sells anywhere. Yeah, it might be 9 a.m. here, chat. We're chilling here till then. Yeah, GJ2. Look at GJ. Back. Look at the last 4 GG candles on the 30-minute time frame.
Looking like the Asian session.
Looking like Marcos's hairline here, man. Look at this.
All wavy.
This shit closed at the exact same spot every candle. Just straight. Yeah, we're chopped.
Fuck Fridays. Honestly.
Hey, we tried today, chat. We tried. I think Gold and GJ both had the same ideas. Both beat, man. Can't really do much. I mean, we took 2 trades right there, right? It's only like 8:30 here, so we tried. Shout out to the banks. Yeah. Shout out to the banks for keeping us sane today. Keeping us level-headed.
Which ones?
Which ones?
Which banks?
The banks.
No, the banks.
Yeah, the banks.
Overall, the banks.
The banks. The ones that watch us. The one that watches me from the camera.
Shout out to those
Looks
banks.
like you started.
I don't know. Maybe Chase Bank. I don't know. I don't know. Which banks?
Yeah, it's like a chat. You guys are just. You guys are. I do not where you guys' heads are, guys. You guys, like, are just bored or something.
Princess Banks? What's going on? I just got back.
Yo, y'all heard the new Kid Cudi album? I think he came off the show too. I didn't watch it, but I'm not sure what the show is about. But I remember him talking about that. Intergalactic. Or intergalactic.
Intergalactic.
Yeah, intergalactic. There we go.
Wasn't that a song by the Beastie Boys?
Intergalactic. Yeah, I think I remember that song.
Planetary. These guys are naming every bank.
Look,
in the
Wix,
book.
see what you did, man.
Lloyd Banks.
There's that kid in the class that just likes to cause chaos.
Me?
Yes.
I'll fucking stir the pot, leave the room, come back 20 minutes later to see
And
if everyone's
nothing
still
happened.
alive.
Damn, Trevor, what you guys gonna do this weekend? It's a nice Friday. I got dinner. Oh, yo, there's a thing in Toronto. It's so I got dinner today, but then tomorrow on Saturday, there's a thing in Toronto every year, and they haven't done it for like the past 2 years, but it's like a Nuit Blanche. So it's like just like a night thing. It's like I think it's an art. It's an art. I don't want to say art festival, but it's like just like. Here, I'm gonna search it up for you guys. I don't know how to explain it.
Where is it?
It's like all Toronto. It's like areas in the city. They're just putting up art.
Basel?
Yeah, at night. Supposed to be pretty dope.
Man. We have Art Basel. Miami.
Is it art Basel? That's what it is.
Yeah, BASCL.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Like this is it. This is a bunch of shit. They haven't done it since like pre-COVID, so that's going on this weekend. It's from like I think 7 to like 7 a.m. in the morning. People like sleep on like I don't know the areas and stuff. It's pretty cool. I'm really popping into that. Probably got some nice footage.
Is that once a year?
Yeah, it's once a year during like the fall season. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, once a year Toronto's like, you know what? We want to be Miami.
What's that art spot you showed me, bro? Where is that spot again? It wasn't Miami. It was in Vegas.
Which spot?
That spot in Vegas.
Oh, you're talking about Burning Man.
Yeah, that's what this reminds me of, but it's not.
No, Burning Man's a festival. Like people do lots of drugs and get cracked out for a week and listen to DJs. This looks like actual art exhibits.
Nah, people
Like,
get cracked out here too. People get cracked out here, but
I'm sure they do, but like, is there like DJs
No,
all over
it's
the
not-
place and
yeah,
you're
it's-
living there? Like, you know what I mean? Like,
Yeah.
this is actual art.
it's Toronto being Toronto.
50% of Florida's Canadians, yeah, and they all come here during the Art Basel weekend. They just they bring shit down from Toronto. That big fucking lit ball that he just showed, the disco ball, that's gonna be in Miami in about a month. It's on its way. It's rolling down here right now. Martin's yelling at everyone that he's thinking of me. Then I didn't think of you.
This is a classic stay away chart pattern. Yep. This is basically it. This is a official Friday chart pattern. The official.
Last day of the month. What the chart pattern looks like.
What did GJ do? Nothing, right?
GJ Ting.
Yep, nothing. Just in a range. You can honestly just sell and buy GJ. How big is this range on GJ?
Martin been yelling all stream.
55 pips.
You're gonna lose your voice, Martin.
Let me go look on live chat. Man, live chat look intimidating. Going back to top chat.
Live chat is like walking into a big hall when there's like 30 or 40 people in different corners having their own conversations and you don't know who to join. Like, do I talk to these guys or these guys? I know everybody. Martin said, green, that's my style. You're crazy.
Just me, I don't know what to play right now. I'm just playing. I'm just shuffling.
I think 2 months in a row, March has been the best month, no?
2 months in a row, March has been the best month. Sounds
2
about
years
right.
in a row.
Yeah. March is, I mean, March.
Or April last year, I think was the best one.
March, April, May. Like we had, honestly, every month this month was a good month. Aside from August, September, or yeah, August, September so far. Those are our worst months. Actually, August wasn't bad. August wasn't bad. Stream was pretty bad.
We came
but
back. We came
yeah.
back.
September, not bad as well. September was pretty decent. I'll update this by the way, but it was pretty decent. I think we're up like a good 3% this month. It's nothing crazy, but like for a bad month, being up that percent, because a lot of these were full closures this month. So to be up that much percent this month on a bad month isn't bad. It shows a lot. If your worst months are like BEs, your worst months are like 2-3% months, not bad. I'll take that any day over a losing month, right?
February to April, sweet spot. Yeah, I remember in June we were like, yo, why are we even streaming? Let's just stop for the rest of the year. We were ahead so far. Like 90% win rate in June. Should be done for the year.
Damn. 18
Daniel,
minutes left for the voyage. Wait, you took anything in London?
say that again?
You took anything in London last night or no?
No, I didn't tell you. I was asleep by like 11. I honestly, I passed out once again as I was putting my kids to sleep. And the baby ran out of the bed and went and fell asleep in my spot where I sleep. It's mad sneaky. She's like, Dad, come put me to sleep. And she puts me to sleep. And then she gets up and she goes and lays down with my wife. Sneaky. She's sneaky. What's your go-to beer? Honestly, I'll probably be like, yeah, I got some water, and just, I don't know, I'm not big on beer, and just drink some protein.
You're that guy, aren't you? The gym guy. That's a gym answer.
Be like, yeah, I got a scooper. I gotta scoop these 25 grams of protein.
Wow. Gold one up.
Yeah.
Nice.
We dad bods don't relate. You know what I like drinking? I got lit this weekend off mezcal. That was really good. But overall, I like tequila.
You're a tequila guy?
I like tequila. I like Patron.
What do you drink, Marcos? You just drink wine.
You know, I do. I'm on my season of my life where wine is the go-to, but last couple weddings I did tequila sodas and vodka sodas.
You know, high quality tequila doesn't give you a hangover, and it's like
It does when you mix it with green tea shots and shit.
when you mix it with anything, it does. It's not from that. You'll get a hangover just from mixing it. But when you mix, you have to go up in volume, right? You have to go up in alcohol volume.
Is that true?
It's
My
true.
liver's gonna explode if I listen to you.
I'm telling you, you can't go down. So you can go from beer to a wine or champagne and go up in volume, but you can't go start drinking like Henny and then just end off with a beer. Like that's when you're fucking yourself up.
Oh, Martin, you're wildin'.
Marco's be taking the shots out of his own belly button.
Huh.
Straws, baby. Party time.
Yo, chat. North London Derby tomorrow? Soccer chat. Who's winning? Tottenham or Arsenal? Don't lie. Sick.
Hey yo, fuck North London.
Fuck North London. Both are shit. Gunners, Spurs. Manchester Derby this weekend too.
What's the derby?
Oh, that's Sunday though. Damn, Derby is when rivals play. Typically location. So Arsenal and Spurs are the two teams in North London, and then the two teams in Manchester, Manchester United and Manchester City.
Would they play at home field?
They have a home and an away game once a year. They have different fields.
In America, they play in the same stadium.
Arsenal need humbling. My brother in Christ, we've been humbled for like the last 20 years.
Yo, y'all going to the Super Bowl this year?
I'm done being humbled.
Y'all going to the Super Bowl this year?
Yeah, getting a suite.
It depends who's in the Super Bowl. Honestly, I'd probably, I don't know, I'm kind of done with NFL. I play fantasy with my boys, but like, I saw my team win so many Super Bowls. It's not that exciting. FPL,
Yeah, but it's
now.
not gonna happen for a long time now.
Don't worry, Don's a Leafs fan. He knows about disappointment.
Damn,
Or a crying circle.
They want 400,000 for the suite.
Have you ever seen Arsenal win past the first round?
First round of what?
I don't know.
That's
Of the
actually-
playoffs?
That's actually good because the first round, of Champions League, we lose in the round of 16 every time I've watched Arsenal.
So the first round, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
We-
that's like
we
that's
get
like
past
the
group
least
stage. I've seen us win FA Cups, which is like a smaller tournament. Never won a league. And Champions League, we never make it out of the first round because we always get matched up against the best teams.
That's us too.
So bad.
We got matched last year. We came like third in the league. We got matched against the previous champion, Tampa. Yeah, I don't know. Chopped.
You talk too much. You need another L. Bro, what?
Talking about your team.
I know. I know he's talking about Arsenal, but like, bro, we've been bad for 20 years. How much longer do we need to be humbled?
Marcos is
Contact.
crying inside.
Like, I'm literally dead inside. I'm so numb. Like, if we could lose like 5-0 tomorrow, and I probably wouldn't even like crack.
They
I've
can
just-
lose for
I've
the
seen
next
it all.
50 years.
I'd fucking love that shit. Arsenal's winning the Premier League? No. No. No.
I don't know nothing about soccer. I'm just gonna keep quiet and just relax right now. This is good. When we have Marcos and Wixon talking to chat and I'm just here relaxing, this is my break time because I can't. What am I gonna say for the next 15 minutes, right? So I just gotta relax. Just chill the fuck out. Feels good.
You'll put a bet that United win before Arsenal do? I don't know about that one. That's a tough bet.
Gracias, agua.
Please use long and short position tool in your trading view. I think we use that for every trade ever for 2 years straight. Arsenal and City, Spurs third. I hope so, man. I just want top 4. What's the most boring sport? Baseball. They compare Nunez to Haaland. I know it's crazy, but it's also really early. Wouldn't talk too much shit yet. Leads fourth, Cap. You don't understand the EPL playoff structure. MLS makes sense. MLS is a joke. It's just a point system. There is no playoff. Who's going to give more heart attacks to their fans? Spurs or Arsenal? Obviously Arsenal. Arsenal have less experience, so you can expect to have more ups and downs. It's more volatile when you have younger players. Spurs have a lot of experience, and they have world-class strikers. Not a Spurs fan that they'll get a trophy this year. Maybe. Barcelona, potential. Lots of potential. You only watch women's sports? Respect. I'm well updated? Yes. Pay a lot of attention. My favorite sport. At the moment. Big on basketball too. Conte, really good manager. He has a really bad record in the Champions League. High probability of the Champions League winner to be from the Premier League, so I'd say it's possible for Arsenal. Yeah. I think top 4 is highly likely. Yo, Don.
Yo.
What do you think I should do for my thumbnail? Should I do like I show speed and just have like, you know how I show speed just has like no thumbnail? It's like a screenshot of his stream.
I went for that live. I went for that style before. I have one like this.
I don't like how mine is. I don't know if I like it as what it is now, because I'm not going to do a custom one for each. But I'm just thinking, should I do what it is now, like just a picture of the culture shift, or should it just be a screenshot of the stream, like of me on the desktop?
If you're gonna do the screenshot of the screen, you're going for a style of like the carousel style, and I think that's what's that's what's been popping on YouTube lately. It's like the lowercase title, like the careless style. It's just a screenshot. A lot of people have that now, like, and a lot of gamers have that. It's just a screenshot, and then the title is like all lowercase. It's not really clickbait. It's more sort of like how I made this, lol, some shit like that. It's just a careless title, and that's what's been popping off a lot recently. That's what I've been noticing.
How do you make that your thumbnail? You just change thumbnail and it's there as one of the screenshots?
Yeah, or you just screenshot on your phone and just upload it as whatever.
Because it's like auto going to my, you know how it like goes to your, what's your color? Like your header. Automatically changes to your header.
Go on your edit on your mobile. It's easier. That's what I do. I upload thumbnails on my mobile. A lot easier.
I found it. I like it gives you suggested ones. That's not bad.
Yeah, it has like screenshots of your stream. Yeah. I think what's wrong with your thumbnail yesterday was that it's dark.
I just don't. It does that.
And people have dark mode on, so it doesn't pop off in the algo.
Yeah, I don't know why. I just don't like that it auto changes to that. I just changed it. Damn, yours updated fast. You like that new dummy? We're making another one today. Every pod, I'm gonna get a custom dummy. Dude, K, I had fire behind us both and like candlesticks, and then K had me move candlesticks behind you, fire behind me. It was pretty funny.
How long it take to make 20 minutes?
Probably like
30
minutes. Yeah.
We
already had some of that stuff saved.
Yeah, it's just it's called mask.
Yeah, like I already had the masked picture of you. I redid me. I already had the arrow, so I just had to find candlesticks, fire, and and the MT5 we cropped onto the phone. Had to zoom in hella.
Let's see if I can pull up Photoshop real quick. I haven't Photoshop touched this thing in like years. You make sure you should make a channel for YouTube stream name suggestion. So we cannot see again. What do you mean? I'm confused. You ever ask the questions from chat? Real train questions, not the trolling ones. Always. It's just I'm just kind of chilling right now. Like we're just kind of talking about whatever right now. But I think yes, stream is very valuable. Yeah, I do that all the time. But today I'm just kind of chilling today. You know, I did all my talking in the morning. I mean, I still answer questions, but we just haven't had many questions, to be honest.
Something to break down here though, like everything's standing in the same spot. It was.
Yeah, like we know that we can't do much for the next like 5 minutes here to 9 a.m. right? Yo, tier 2G, where's the analysis? Yo,
9 months. For 9 months. It's been at 6:30.
She moved out of state and shit that went left. She seeking forgiveness. She used to dance, but she went alone and start up a business.
Where's the analysis? What do you think about the 4-hour outlook on GJ? Potential closure of below support and last week's resistance. The 4-hour outlook on GJ. I believe the 4-hour outlook on GJ. Yeah, I was looking at this too. It's not bad. It's definitely not bad. With the daily have no top wick and the 4-hour candle closing bearish, rejecting resistance, you can probably see this candle pop down. The question is to where though, right? We all know it's closing below here, but where can it pop down to? Where's your next support? I do see a support here, so this is all I see really. The wick fill, and that's around I think 50 pips. This range going down here, 60 pips almost. It's not too bad. Not bad of a range, but you gotta close first here. And looking at the 1 hour and 4H, like how you gonna enter? The only way you can enter is off of the 4-hour candle. So I'll probably wait for that, to be honest. Wait for a top on the 4H, and then maybe potential 4-hour sells coming down. That wouldn't be too bad. Yeah, and gold here. I don't know. Gold's looking like it's not. I mean, this is a range. That was a range 1 potentially. That's the thing. So you can get a fake out back into the range off the 30/1, but the 4-hour candle is not close bearish. We know that. Man, maybe 30-minute candle sells. Maybe at 9. Looking more like 9:30 though. It might be chopped. Let's see. 4 minutes left. I wouldn't mind calling it a day to chat. Like we took 2 trades today. No reason to force not a position if there's no real positions you take, right? On this, unless you guys are up at 6 a.m. because I think 6 a.m. there's decent positions today on GJ. They're pretty decent. What music is that? It's a new member. It's a Drake song. Drake. How's it go? What song is it? Fuck. How's it go again? I don't even know what I have it as. Oh, fuck, my headphones died. TSU. Yeah, TSU. Yo, chat. My headset back. Yo, chat, if you guys enjoyed the streams today, make sure you guys leave a like on the streams. Sub to the channel. I think we're at 31 right now. 31K, right? Yeah, 31K. Yo, by the way, yo, thank you for almost 40K on Instagram. That is crazy. I think last month I had 20k followers. I don't know what the algorithm what the algorithm God blessed me with, but I appreciate them, because 20 followers within a month and a half is pretty insane to me, man. It took me 2 years to get 20k followers. So to get to 40k, it took me another month and a half. So shout out to Broly for sure. Almost at, like, yo, if you think about it, we're 60% until 40k or 100k, sorry. And 100k is pretty big, man. So verified check next for sure. I'm sorry if you guys get, you know, followed by fake accounts when you guys follow me. But yeah, hopefully we can get that sorted out this year. Yeah, we can definitely hit 100k in the next year or so. Gotta keep up the content. I try to post like quality content. I don't want to just post like anything anymore. I used to just post anything, but now I'm trying to keep it just like quality, you know, quality over quantity, and it's been working. Every video has a decent amount of viewers. It's pretty consistent. Like every video has almost 20-30k, which is crazy. Not a lot of pages have like that. I'm pretty blessed for that. I don't know what you guys watch, what you guys like about this, but thank you. Yeah, singles to trading, exactly. All right, so you have gold here, and you also have a GG here as well. Gold on the 4H, pretty decent. If you guys look closely, it looks like you closed below this range to the left hand side, respecting these levels here. And if you look left here, every time you kind of popped or closed below this level to the left, let me just zoom up for you guys. So pay attention to this. Like every time price kind of closed below its ranges here, it was able to pop down towards the bottom of the range, right? Like towards here, like this is the average point. So look, pop down, oh, it came down, right? So with us closing where it is right now, I would expect the same thing to occur right here as well. For us to pop down the 4H towards like 1660. It's only like a 50 pip range though on the 4H. But I would probably expect to see the top wick. And then sells wouldn't be too bad. So the 4 count close, you can either take a 4-hour sell, or you can take maybe like a 1 hour bearish closure, which may come at 10 a.m. Or maybe the reflip of a 30-minute candle. This isn't too bad as well, because the 30-minute candle has like a fake out here, right? It's sort of like a fake. You can see it as like you had a false breakout range 1, and then with us closing back into the range here, we should be good to fill. So let's see, how big is this? The only thing I'm looking at is the 1 hour. The 1 hour is bullish, but the 4H is bearish, right? The 4H, which is the higher time frame, it's a bearish candle. So if this is a top, like you flip bearish here, you should be good to drive through it towards the bottom of the range, as you're breaking back into it. Unfortunately, it's only like 18 pips. I thought it was a lot bigger. Never mind. It's only like 18. From the breakout lows, it's only like an 18 pip range. Never mind. I thought it was like 40-50 for a second. Oh, you know what it is? The flip is the 4 pip range. That's what it was. The breakout low, since you already created a low, kind of took away like 7-8 pips for us, 10 pips, right? So half the range is kind of gone. Yeah, looking chopped. GJ isn't too bad. You had the wick fill here going down. It's gonna be a nice 50 pip range going down. How are you gonna get in? You need to talk on a 4H first. This basically calls for on that day. How long should a stupid wick be at the enter of the flip of the candle? I would expect the most recent resistance. So you see how gold here create a top wick. This is perfect. If it didn't have a bottom wick here, we'll be in. But that wick kind of comes up, kind of makes it a negative RR for us. But look, price came up, tapped the resistance, right? So the most recent resistance is where it tapped, and then now it's starting to drive. Same thing for GG. I would expect the same. Where though? Like, I don't know. We're looking chart. Like, I wouldn't mind calling it a day, man. It's a Friday. It's the last of the month. Don't relax. Let's do a world chat. We'll come back. All right. We need a little break because we know we can't do anything here for the next like, all right, maybe 10 minutes here. I can't take the sellers here on gold. It's not a 1-to-1. It's like a 28 pip stop or a 20 pip stop. Like I guess it is a 1-to-1, but at this point, probably want to wait for the 915 candle. That was a push there. And then GJ, same thing. What was the advantage point on gold? 10 pips? Yeah. You see, chat, like this would have been another 10 pip advantage point. Like I'm not making shit up. It's like back-to-back trades have been all 10 pip advantage points. Just 10 pips. All right. Let's do a word over quick. We're coming right back. Do not go anywhere. What's a vantage point? Advantage point in terms of clean traffic until you hit a minor support or minor range to the left. Fuck, man. R.
Round. Oh no, there's no D. Rogue. That was good. No E though. Yeah. RHY rhyme.
Oh, E.
Huh? Rhythm. Or is that too many letters? RHY. I don't know. I'm tripping.
That's where it's many letters. I think it's like.
Harry? No way.
Prime.
Go like sours or something like that. Sours. Sours. Double S for the vibes. Just so we got a word out.
That was not a bad guess.
Not bad. Not bad at all. SHO. Shore. No. Short. Nope. Shore. SHOR. SHOR. Shork.
Shirts. Fuck.
No.
No, it's an O.
No. Oh.
SHOR. And then could it be a shork? Shorp.
Could be the best. No, it can't be. No. Oh, Shorp. Shorm. Shorb.
SKO.
Sure.
Oh, scorn. SCORN. There you go. W.
W.
We're back.
Damn.
Dab. We back. I got it before you chat.
Yeah, no way, Jose. You didn't get that before him.
I got that before Jose. I got that before Blue Seal. Before Keyshawn. You know what's crazy? Never seen any of those names in the chat. I just know they all Googled it to spite us.
It's true.
There's GJ. Or there's gold.
Good analysis.
Yeah. Honestly, I think would hit B, right? Did they go back up? I think it hit 10.
Most recent.
They would have tapped this. I don't know. I'm not sure what happened after this, but honestly, if I was in, I would have probably closed full after 2 BEs and just hitting 10. I'll just close full and call it. For you guys, no point in leave runners, you know. Yeah, I thought stops at 28 bips. It was only the 21. I was a little tripping. Yeah. It didn't, right? Yeah, I guess it didn't. That's great though. I mean, 4 candle filled range. Yeah, tap that support. It may get it may get stuck in this range for the whole session. Could be wrong, but looking pretty chopped. And same thing for Jujitsu. So I might call that day, guys. Right now. Just the one.
Do it. Call it.
Yeah, like, what are we gonna do here? Nice Friday. Free me, boss. Class is not dismissed yet. Thought stream until Monday. But yeah. Let's see you guys on tune to Wix on stream tonight. The Asian session stream.
Friday Night Asian.
Yeah, next week's October, guys. So new
I
week.
won't be there, but you could stream.
You guys could stream the market closure.
What's gonna happen? Where's it gonna close? Oh, the giveaway. Yo, giveaway. The real one stayed. The fake one's left the word though. Look who's laughing now. Chat. Chat. We got a $100 giveaway right here. All right. So if y'all want a free $100, you know what? Should I do a Twitter one instead for retweets? Is there a bot? Is there a bot for select the retweeter? Marcos, do you know one?
I'm sure you could Google it. There definitely is.
I might as well do Twitter, bro.
Eh,
Yeah.
the YouTube giveaway. You know.
Yeah, but like I needed something to give it off of. I can do a comment. But if you hear, I mean,
Circle said no Twitter, bro. It's all right. You already won.
no Twitter. Yeah, you're at 1, bro. You're good. You won $100 last time.
Imagine he won again.
I hope he does. I hope he keeps winning.
I'm voting for the circle back to back. Back to back.
If you really had any decency about you, and you win, you should just give it to Circle.
No Twitter. I'm banned. I don't have a Twitter.
Well, right off the bat, I know who's not gonna win.
Why are you banned from Twitter, bro? What'd you do?
All right, let me just find the bot. Figure it out.
I'm unsubscribing if Circle wins again. Hope he wins.
Hold on. I'm gonna find a way. We're gonna do it on stream too, so it's not rigged, right?
Past 6ix9ine, that's a damn lie. You know Naked HD had the best adult dating site.
Yeah, maybe that's why it's been a rough past 2 months. Nick HD in here.
Yeah, we got impersonators over Chat 6ix9ine.
Yeah.
You can't just come in here and be like you're the best. No, you gotta come in here and kind of like chill here for like a month or two, and then you can be like, I'm the best. No, that's Naked HD competition. I'm down with Naked HD. With me. Chat 6ix9ine always drops a like though. I don't know. Naked HD is always here. Was always here. Never seen no chapstick 9. Yeah, he took away Naked's funding. Jesus.
Oh, okay, I got it. Okay, I got it. I think I got it. All right, cool. Try this. All right, chat. I'm gonna tweet out.
Marcos is a Twitter monster. He's probably fucking controlling which tweet gets sent out right now.
I'm just dying of this stupid tweet. It says it to Don.
I saw yesterday Marcos had tweets made for like the next month and a half. He just
I got tweets made for tomorrow, tonight, this weekend, next week.
yeah, he's definitely fucking controlling the next tweet that gets sent out on Donald's account right now. This is out of the Marcos playbook.
I run at It's Donbo.
Yo, hashtag the tweets or no, Marcos? First giveaway.
Hashtag?
No, right?
Nah, you're gonna get randos in there.
Yeah, like
I've never seen anybody use hashtags.
anymore. Yeah, it's like a YouTube thing.
It's an old thing.
Yeah.
Unless you're like specifically tweeting about a current event, that's when you use hashtags.
All right, chat. I tweeted out. You have 15 minutes to retweet. Just retweet it. Retweet before 9 a.m. Eastern, picking the winner on YouTube live stream. 100 USD.
Can you just send out a MySpace message?
In the meantime, we could do a watch the third candle. What's your Twitter? Y'all didn't even follow me on Twitter?
You made Twitter like last week.
It's Donvo. It's Donvo. ITS. Yo,
Just pin it.
yeah, pin it in chat. Let's see. Can mods pin that? Mods can't pin that, right?
No.
I can.
Yeah, people are asking because they're just creating Twitter for you.
Oh yeah, the Twitter in your description's wrong. You always see your other Twitter.
I already changed that stuff. Yo, we hit 1,000 followers on it.
Yeah.
I've had that account for like I think
47 retweets.
a year plus. Badass. Hey Chad, come on, free money, free 100 USD. Retweet it up. Circle, don't even think about it.
I replied circle back to back. I said, do you do challenge on live stream?
That's you.
I'm rooting for Circo.
Fucking 60 retweets.
You on Twitter, Wixon? You said you want to make a Twitter, right?
I have a Twitter that was made years ago and I've never been on it.
Yeah, I have a Twitter for like a decade now. I never had no use of it on my personal at least, but now that I have the business, like I've had the business one going on for like I think 10 months.
I don't know. I still don't have a need for Twitter.
Go back to work. Yo, Circle wins again? I swear, man. He's gonna win. If Circle wins again, he's gonna get $200.
Twitter beef hits different.
This is a circle giveaway dynasty.
One hour break on Pierce Cannon on gold. The sells would have been the current high or low broke. Like you would have been up right now probably. Like that would have been a push. Probably a close fold. And that was it. That was all she wrote. Just that range going down. Then would have hit B after.
Someone said, I made Twitter for you.
Hey. Now get off. after you win this contest, never hop on again.
Next giveaway's on TikTok. Go live on TikTok. Give it away to a... You probably get mad followers if you do it on TikTok.
What's the ratio? Imagine it has more ratio than the
Yo.
giveaway. That'd be fucked up.
I need a ratio. Who is that? I need to like it.
That'd be fucked up.
Where's the ratio? I'm liking it. Oh, it's in double. It probably follows me. I love that guy.
That'd be fucked up.
I liked it.
I'll shout out the YouTube link. It's fine. That. Yeah, I think training's done for a day, guys. To be honest, I think we're true done for a day. There's not much we can do.
Done
Unfortunately,
for the year.
done for the month.
Doing 100 to a million challenge starting on Monday.
Rara's dropped a new track called "Stop Breathing." What the hell? I didn't hear that. No way. Oh.
Happened?
No, Rara's dropped a new song. I thought he was trying to. He made a remix or something.
You should reply with the link to your stream.
Oh
Like,
yeah,
there's a lot of people are gonna see that aren't even in here. Hey, free promo.
8 minutes, guys.
We got some cereal.
I have a feeling it's me. I have a feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. 100 retweets, guys. I don't have Twitter, Don. Make one. Free. What did you call the first trade they took today? Celery play? No, the first trade today wasn't the celery play. The first trade today was just called The first trade was just called breakout. Yeah, the first trade today was just a regular trade, just a breakout. The second trade today was the same trade too. It was a sell breakout, first high low. It was the breakout. It wasn't a celery play. What time was the second trade taken at, chat? 8:05, right? 8:05. It was this song is ass, bro. It was gold, sells, breakout, first high low. No, current high low. Oh no, it was a flip. It was a flip. And then it was on the 30/1 hour, and it was full risk, and then we hit B on that trade as well. Damn. What about you today?
What was that?
What about you today?
I'm gonna hit the gym right now.
Early?
Yeah, well, I kept my kids from going to school. So I'm gonna hit the gym and probably then take them out somewhere.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm getting some. Went to a French bistro today or something.
French bistro.
Yeah. French restaurant.
You fancy, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, Toronto recently got some Michelin star restaurants. We never had one until like last month. They added a shit ton. Yo, Circle, what rituals you doing right now? Whatever underwear you wore last time, wear it again today. Yeah, we should do like bonus. Predict who's gonna win. But then people just predict themselves. Damn, I can't believe we're done quarter 3. The quarter 3 flew by quick, right? Like when did quarter 3 start? April? No, sorry, July. Like I remember going to Dominican in June, and that was it. I feel like I went to Dominican and came back. I mean, we lost our superpowers. Yeah, this month's doing fine. Like on stream has been whatever, but a lot of trades have been off stream this month. A lot have been during Asian session / New York. You plan on moving US30 if GJ is under a certain percentage, or just want to add it to the mix without swapping GJ? I might add to the mix at start. I don't know. Like it's kind of hard to get rid of GJ. I don't know. I also like as well this year. Like we haven't really moved. GJ wasn't that great this year. I started a range starting like in May. This is like the first break that we have this month. And GG was clean this month. It was pretty decent. Right? Gold bounce back. Good bounce back, yeah. What time is it? 9:28 chat? We have 2 minutes left for the giveaway. Whoever wins, I hope you guys go full margin in your next trade, man. $420. What, GJ? 5 minute. Ooh, the 5 minute. Look at the 30 though. Oh shit! All right, yo, chat 9:30 here. Let's get it. All right, so let me just copy this tweet. How many retweets do you have here? 91. That's it. Only 91 people want money. That's crazy. All right. Let's spin this. So link of tweet. Show round names. Minimum number of followers. All right. This is cool. Who's gonna get it? Who's gonna win?
Uh-oh.
Oh, that was
Yo.
that was too quick. Joe,
Who that?
I don't know who this is. Yo, who's this in the chat? Who is this?
See that name?
Circo's burner.
That's you? Who is this? I don't know who you are, but hit me up on Twitter.
Everyone's saying.
Yo, okay, never mind, bro. Never mind. That's me? Yo, you want $100, Antonio? Damn. All right, well, you hit me on Twitter.
Congratulations to all me's.
I think that's me. Yeah. Yo, Antonio, you better set up two-way verification on your Twitter, man, before you get hacked. If you see a text message, do not give them your number.
You gotta tweet it. Congrats to whoever.
I have to.
Yeah.
All right.
Hey, who won? No, I actually want to know.
That's send a screenshot of this.
Oh, I guess that's 7NT. That means Antonio. Yeah. So I guess that is Antonio.
Raphael said, I'm not really sure, but I think it's me. No, you're Raphael.
I can't fucking read, but I'm pretty sure it's me.
That congrats.
What the heck, this guy?
All right. So, oh, it's a chat. Congrats to all the participants. Maybe next time. Maybe we'll do another giveaway next week. Probably. We did one last week. We did one this week. We might do one once a week.
Do better, chat. Do better.
Do better. Let me just post this real quick. Congrats to. Seven. Nice. All right, chat. That's it. I'm gonna call that a day here. Congrats to the winners of the giveaway. Gold draw. Oh, flew here. Woo. Yeah, congrats, chat. I'm done for a day. I think we're done here. There's not much going on right now. So, like on gold, we're in this range I don't really like. I want to really break out this range. To be honest. Yeah, it won't be. You may get something at 10 a.m. maybe. The 1 hour closure wouldn't be too bad at 10 a.m. But I don't want to sell 10 today on a Friday, right? I want to call that a day here. And then GJ as well. We're in the range right now from like 160, 360 to like 159, 500. I don't really want to touch it. You could get a 1 hour closure above in 25 minutes, but it's in 25, right? So I want to just call it here, to be honest. So congrats to the winner. I'll catch you guys on Monday's stream, quarter 4 October. It'll be October 3rd. So yeah, appreciate you being here today. If you guys enjoyed the streams, leave a like, sub to the channel. Love you guys, and I'll catch you guys on Monday. All right, 6:30. And if you guys want to tune to the Asian session tonight, Wix on streaming tonight. Yeah, so
do it. Your sign will be nowhere near a computer tonight.
Marcos stream today, right? You stream today, Marcos?
He's got a 5-hour stream coming up.
This guy frozen?
He's frozen, yeah.
That's just how yours looks.
Blink if you're in trouble.
This guy looks
No, he's
mad,
good.
bro. Like, this is the face. Oh. Where'd he go?
Oh, look what you do to him.
He disappeared. Sounds crazy. Alright, chat. Catch you guys on Monday. Peace out.
He didn't even say bye.
He might have frozen. Round song for a playlist? Alright, fine. We'll do a round song. Whatever song he plays today is gonna be your mood for the rest of the day. Sad, happy, excited, angry, whatever it plays, alright? I'm going shuffle. Oh, this is a good one. Yeah, this is a good one.
It's the speaker knockers.
What you know about this, Fix?
Started out with nothing, I was hungry. Now I got a couple niggas, bitches on me. Fuck nigga, I don't wanna be your homie. I had to make a couple bands by my lonely. I had to make a couple bands by my lonely. I had to make a couple bands by my lonely. I had to make a couple bands by my lonely. Fuck nigga, I don't wanna be your homie. All I wanna do is count commas. I had to make a couple bands for the come up. Got kicked out the house, I had no option. I was going through it with my mama. Jugging and finessing, had to play it raw. Smoking weed, dodging feds, cause my head hard. When I dropped out, I said fuck all of y'all. Imagine pulling up to your school in the best car. I was born in 94, I got the tattoo. I just took his bitch, that's what that cash do. If you went from broke to rich quick, you would brag too. I'm sorry I finesse you out your money, but I had to. Started out with nothing, I was hungry. Now I got a couple niggas, bitches on me. Fuck nigga, I don't wanna be your homie. I had to make a couple bands by my lonely. I had to make a couple bands by my lonely. Had to make a couple bands by my lonely. I had to make a couple bands by my lonely. Fuck nigga, I don't wanna be your homie. Ha 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 ha. You mad or nah? Fuck nigga, don't want war. Them things go rah. These stocks don't get no love. My pockets is on large. I'm swimming in the guap. I got gold all on my watch. My belt cost one of your checks. I'm throwing all this money like bread. I know it make a girl so wet. I know the pussy nigga upset. I'm winning, you lose. That's your fault, should never snooze. You broke, never make no moves. I be making movies, no Tom Cruise. Started out with nothing, I was hungry. Now I got a couple niggas, bitches on me. Fuck nigga, I don't wanna be your homie. I had to make a couple bands by my lonely. I had to make a couple bands by my lonely. Had to make a couple bands by my lonely. I had to make a couple bands by my lonely. Fuck nigga, I don't wanna be your homie. By my lonely. Had to make a couple bands by my lonely. Damn. Yeah. MTTM2.
Have a good day, chat. Have a good day, chat. Peace the fuck out.